ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಂ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಎರಡನೇ
ಸೀಲ್ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ನೀವು 1 ಗಂಟೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದಾ ಸಾವಿರ ಬರೋ ಗಂಟೆ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋರಾ
ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತ ಮಂದಾಯ ಕೊಡಿ ಮಂದಾಯ ಕೊಡಿ ಸಾಯ್ಬು ಇದು ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ ನಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆದು ಒಂದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಇಯರ್ ವೈಸ್
ಸೀನಿಯರಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅದು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಟಿಂಗ್
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 7 days ಆಗಿದೆ
ಮೇಡಮ್ 10th ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್
ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
generally we used to them
and that only 40
so many matters
old rules ಅವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗೇನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ
ಅದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ 21 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನಮೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಬಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನವಾಸ್ 21 ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 21 ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಬಡಿಸೋದು ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಂದೆ ಅಂತ
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹಿಂಗಲ್ಲ
ಇರ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಸೀನಿಯರಿಟಿ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು
ಹೌದು
ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
ಮೊದಲೇ ವರ್ಕ್ಲೋಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಕಂತ ರೀ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಈಗ ಹೋಗು
ಫೈಲ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನೋ ಕಸಿದ್ರೆ ಕಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋದು 23 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಎನ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ 23 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದೇ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಮಂಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರ್ತೀವ್ರಿ? extension of maintain ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಡೇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹೌದು ಪಿ ಸಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪಿ ಸಿ ತರಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Don't see which time, which place of it.
Date given 2:30 ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ?
Stop this now. You would
2:30 ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ, 2:30 ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
My lord, Monday.
Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, any day.
Application, my lord.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
482 application. 482 application.
482 ನಾ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ
First,
ಹಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನೇ ಇದೆ.
Monday, please. Urgency.
ಹೌದಾ? ಏನು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ?
Charges are framed.
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ಡ್ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿನೇ ಇದೆ. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್.
Charges not framed.
ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ಡ್. ನೋ ಮಂಡೇ.
Monday, my lord.
ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Complaint ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
ನೀವು ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ.
Complaint ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ sir.
ಹಾ
Complaint ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ. ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Madam.
ಇವತ್ತು 2:30 ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಮಂಡೇ 2:30 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 2:30 ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಏನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೂಎವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಮೂವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಫಾರ್ 2:30. ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ. ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್. ಮಂಡೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಡೇಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮೈ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡೇಟ್? 1 minute. 6/3. All right, we'll check it up. Yes. No, why are you holding the memo even? ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಅಂತೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Vacating stay gives. Vacating stay wherever it is, please. Not Monday, according to the dates designated, not according to your wish. Yes. Blood. What? Sorry. Pending there. Madam. What do you want, madam? Again and again. You have taken bail. Do one thing. Do it. Move it on Monday. I'll take it.
There's a case and counter case.
Promise to marry. Fulfill the promise. Huh. No fresh matters according to the seniority of complaints. You memo kottru hogalla illa. You can give the memo. It will all be here. Please give. Give, sir. There is one.
Next week.
Why?
It's been complied.
It will come, sir.
Everything.
If you have complied, it will come.
I would only say that a B report came to be rejected after 3 years. Now, I'm not even involved in that offense. They've been calling me. I'm only saying any week, any date next week. I'm not saying.
Take the call, sir. Anyway,
there's one matter.
Pending matter.
Huh?
Pending.
That's fresh matter.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕೊಡದೇವರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
Next week I'm asking any date. Monday ಅಂತ because
ಮಂಡೇ ಇಂದ 3 ದಿನ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಆ 3 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
But there is one.
There's a case and counter case.
ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ರೆ 2:30 ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
But there is one matter.
ಇವತ್ತು 2:30 ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ದರೆ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್. ನೋ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 2:30 ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಬೇಡ, ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ.
But there is one matter, blood.
Any extreme urgency, Monday move ಮಾಡಿ. Today I can't take it.
May I have your lordship's leave also to mention?
Accused number 11 is granted stay. Yes.
Blood, one matter.
May I have your lordship's leave to mention?
AG sir, yes.
I'm sorry for intervening when a lot
No,
of
no, no
queries
problem,
before
sir.
a lot of. No, this
Yes,
is that
sir.
matter that item number 3, I think today, VINP distilleries.
Oh, that Dharwad list.
That
Oh,
one,
sir is
yes.
here.
So any date convenient to the court, we will.
Any date of your convenience, tell me, sir. We'll
Now,
take
there
it
are a
on
lot
that
of
day.
people, I think, who needs convenience have to be accommodated. I don't know, sometime in April, 10th April, we had that competition commission matter. So if
Can we take it on the same day?
Yeah, we can start on that day and then start, then moving
Because
thereafter.
even Poa sir will be there, you will be there.
Yes,
We are
yes,
also
yes, yes.
Filing some intervention applications.
Oh, Supreme Court has permitted.
We went to Supreme
Your
Court.
Balbir Singh's clients.
Yes,
Correct?
Mr. Balbir Singh's clients, correct.
Yes. Balbir Singh's clients are
Elephant
permitted
time,
to
very
intervene. Yes, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Hmm.
May I make a
File intervention applications. So any date.
No, Supreme Court has permitted. How can I deny? Yes.
Formally, we have to file an application.
Yavat, when do you, April 10th?
April 10th.
Very well.
You file the application, serve the application. Any objections to that application? Let pleadings get complete by that day. We'll close it.
Yes.
All right?
Yes, but there's one
I'm
matter.
very
Not
particular.
petitioner is an advocate.
Yes, sir. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ heard the learned counsel for the petitioner ಯಾರು who's for the petitioner so and the learned attorney general appearing for the respondents and Puvaya sir, then you are appearing.
For the interveners.
The learned senior counsel Dhyan Chinnappa appearing for the intervening applicants. Learned counsel Dhyan Chinnappa, senior counsel Dhyan Chinnappa submits that the apex court, while setting aside the order passed by this court, has held that has granted permission to the to intervene in these petitions of all those persons who would get affected by any order that would be passed at the hands of this court. Therefore, the hands of this court, the learned counsel submits that he would file his formal intervening application. Objections, if any, by the petitioner shall be filed by the next date. List the matter on April the 10th. April the 10th to hear further.
Plus, I am for the respondent 2 to 4 minutes. But kindly wait.
Pua sir to respond. Who is 2 to 4?
No, we have to intervene as well. So, lordship,
CVMD 2 to 4. Yes.
1 minute. Can I also request that we are filed our objections earlier, but
Yes,
permission to be granted for some additional objections. Like to place it on record.
The learned attorney general would submit that they would be filing additional objections as well over and above what is already filed in the light of the judgment of the apex court. So the permission so sought is granted. The advocate on record is permitted to file his additional objections, to which a rejoinder is also permitted to the counsel appearing for the petitioners.
Grateful to you. Grateful.
Very grateful.
May I make a mention?
All, sir, April 10th is quite far. So complete all the pleadings on April 10th. If you give me a convenience compilation by then.
We will do that.
I will only take 30 to 40 minutes. We'll finish it off. Yes,
matter.
Pua sir, ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. And Pua sir, implementing application is pending or allowed?
Your lordship, formally
Intervening application is pending or allowed?
The intervening
they were
application
heard.
is allowed, by your lordship's
Allowed.
order of
Allowed,
4
yes.
to
So apex court has permitted others to intervene, so that is also allowed.
Yes.
Balbir Singh's clients.
Should we also file written submissions for one short
Please do.
as part of the intervention act?
No, one matter.
All of it is on record.
But the
Now that
petitioner is
I've
an
heard,
advocate.
Sir.
No, I was only saying, now that Lordship said I'll try to complete it as swift as possible. We should also try to gear up for that sea, that's all.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes,
I'm
sir.
grateful to Lord.
Yes,
Grateful.
yes, sir.
One matter. Petitioner is an advocate.
ಮೆಮೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Petitioner is an advocate.
ಈ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
He's practicing.
You continue to practice, sir. Saturday, Sunday ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Lord, Monday, Lord, may I request on
ಮಂಡೇ
Monday.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ನೀವು ಮಂಡೇ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿ.
Lord, please.
ಆ
Indulgence to make a mention.
come.
Lordship.
Extension of interim order. I don't grant any limited interim order.
Previous grant modalities were granted.
Ah.
All are directed to list on 21 March. I moved memo. That is not okay. Both it is in both grant.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Lordship. My lords.
ಈಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ನೋ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. No date. Fresh matter ಇದ್ರೆ it will come according to the compliance. Go and comply. If it is complied, it will come.
My lords, the petitioner is a film movie promoter, my lords. Film flop ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ cheating complaint ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ.
My lords, 1 month after filing, it's not coming, it's not listing, my lords.
ಯಾವ
Everything is
which movie, sir?
Kotalwadi, my lords.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
Kotalwadi.
ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lords, kindly, next statement, next week, any date, my lords.
ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
It's complete after 1 month ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ complaints.
It will come, sir.
My lords.
ED
interfering with the coffee estate of the
ಕಾಫಿ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
and plugging the coffee seats.
Nothing. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ?
Yes, my lord.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
My lords,
summons matters.
So no problem. Fresh matter. Take bail. Take bail.
I'm not a part of the FIR.
Take bail. Then why are you here?
Because it is arising out of a civil dispute.
If you are not a part of the FIR, I will not entertain even.
Your Honor, and he has threatened me that he's going to arrest me if I don't settle the matter.
Once that happens, we'll see. You are not a part of the FIR anyway. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. 2:30 ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ನೋ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಇವ್ರು ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್?
On Wednesday it is.
Silver ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ?
My lord, there are 3 old petitions. I'm seeking a listing only for it to be referred to mediation, my lord.
ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರೆಫರ್ ಟು ಮೀಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು 3 ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಸೋಮವಾರ ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮೇಡಮ್.
lords, I'm seeking for an issuance of my lords,
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದು ಬೇಡವಾ? ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. I can't take 1000 in a day. It will come, leave it.
My lords, I'm seeking for issuance of fresh passport, my lords. For issuance of passport, my lords.
Come, leave it.
My lords.
No, your lordship. Let it be 10th complaint, it will come. I told you I can't take 1000 in a day. ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Beyond this, you don't expect. It may. Why are you telling on the merit of the matter? No, nothing. No problem.
My lords.
No issues.
My lords, Foreigners Act.
Go and comply, sir. It will come.
My lords,
Go and comply. It will come.
Foreigners Act. My lords, Foreigners Act.
Sorry. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೀಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? So what? ಯಾವುದು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
My lords, I'm seeking for issuance of passport.
My lords, Foreigners
I'm
Act.
seeking for issuance of passport, my lords. The criminal petition has been stayed by this honorable court. I had approached the coordinate bench of this honorable court, my lords. Coordinate bench has granted liberty to approach this honorable court, my lords.
Oh, you need liberty from the coordinate benches.
Issuance of short validity
My lords.
passport, my lords.
ಯಾಕೆ? ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇಟ್ ಗಿವನ್.
ಓಹೋ, ಎಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Land acquisition matter.
My lordship.
My lords,
on Friday, some Friday will post.
My lords,
I'm a dentist.
ಈಗಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, Friday.
My lords, Foreigners Act.
Full matter.
Foreigners Act date was given today. It is not listed here. That is
Lords, I'm a dentist.
because it is under the repeal law, your lords.
The problem is today half day. Can't help.
Under a repeal law, the
half day ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದು ಇವತ್ತು ಫ್ರೈಡೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Have it on Wednesday at least here. Because police are precipitating to come and give me a statement.
No problem.
My lords, school.
Have it on Wednesday at least.
Memo ಬೇಡ.
Your lordship, have it on Wednesday.
ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ. Lordship, school ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
My lords, it is under the repeal law. It is under the repeal.
Your lords.
No problem. Yes.
Your lords. My lords, I'm a dentist. My lords, I have to attend the international conference.
When is that listed? Disposed. ಯಾವ್ದು vehicles? Oh, that Mercedes Benz. ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, CD summons.
My lords.
ED summons for 2 are listed today, my lords. One another matter was supposed to be listed.
ಆಯ್ತು, when that is taken up, you mention.
Kindly.
Your lordship.
Why? ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. being spoken to ಕೊಡಿ.
Your lordship. My lords, I'm a dentist. My lords, I have to attend the international conference for dental health. My lords.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ.
Your lordship.
I think ಕನ್ನಡ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, ಇನ್ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಭಾಷೆಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Lordship. ಅಲ್ಲ,
ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
ಮಂಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. 2:30 ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್?
School matter, Your Lordship.
ರೀಚ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Lordship. School matter, Your Lordship.
ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡಿ.
Your Lordship. School matter, Your Lordship.
ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Your Lordship ಅವ್ರು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾರು ಪೊಲೀಸಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು 4 ಈ ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಅದು ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್.
ಮಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. 2:30 ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಮಂಡೇ.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
But may I make a mention?
ಅದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Malords may have it on Monday, Tuesday.
ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Malords, these are the
Fresh matter. Malords may please have it on Monday.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರು 14%.
My lord, these are the ozone matters. It's a batch matters. My colleague is also online. My lord, is supposed to be listed today. It was ordered to be listed, but it's not listed.
We'll see. Yes. ಯಾವುದು ozone?
Ozone matter.
Velen is there for that, is it?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Velen today half a day can't do anything.
Any specific date?
Bench in the afternoon. Next week we'll post it on Sunday. Memo ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ.
Lord, would my lordship consider it on Thursday, my lord?
Thursday is a holiday. Only 3 working days next week. Monday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes.
Wednesday, my lord, all day between 27 to 1, my lord, subject to my lordship.
That will post it. 27th will post it. No worries.
Oblige, my lord.
Major.
27.
ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಏನ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ನೀವ್ ಅದ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ
My lord, serial number 132. It is posted for reporting a settlement. It may be posted for next week, my lord.
We'll see when it's got. Yes, next. Call the case.
Make one. Not for my lord.
You want to withdraw?
Alla. Travel to abroad, my lord.
Travel. Okay.
Yesterday, my lord side.
We'll see before I rise.
Not for.
My lordship, one submission, my lordship. The bail matter, my lordship.
Bail matter?
Yes, my lordship.
ಯಾವುದು?
Quota number 22, my lordship.
Bail ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಾ?
One submission, my lordship. The suicide note ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, suicide ಇದೆ, my lordship. The 306 ಹಾಕೋದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 302 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, my lordship. Petitioner is being a lady, my lordship. He is in judicial custody from 2.5 months, my lordship.
ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Serial number 22, my lordship.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಬೇಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಅಟ್ 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಕರೀತೀನಿ.
22. Being spoken to seal number 1.
My lords, I appear for the petitioner, please, my lords.
Memo was moved wrongly, my lord. The case
Wrongly? Case is listed wrongly?
No, my lord. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮೆಮೊ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಮೆಮೊ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ರಾಂಗ್ ಕೇಸ್ has been withdrawn.
ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಯಾರ್ದು ಕೇಸ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ?
Apologies.
I appear for the petitioner, please.
He will initiate proceedings against you. ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅದು ಭರತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್?
ಹೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇವ್ರು ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
It seems so.
grounds of arrest.
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದು?
ನಮ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ my lord, ನಮ್ದು 498.
498 ಏನು? ಅದು ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
Yes, my lord.
ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
I will give it.
The subject petition stood withdrawn in terms of an order dated 4th March 2026 on the memo filed by the petitioner seeking withdrawal of the petition. Counsel for the petitioner submits that there is a slight typographical error and he has mentioned some other petition and some other number. Therefore, the petition with the correct number is being moved now. In that light, the order dated 4th March 2026 stands recalled. Interim order of any kind subsisting, if subsisting in the said petition, also shall stand restored to file. List the matter. ಏನದು?
Grounds of arrest.
Grounds of arrest.
Given grounds of arrest.
List the matter. ಇವತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಅದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
ಇದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ? ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದಾ ಭರತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್?
Yes, it is mine, my lords. The council, I think, has moved.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? ಏನ್ offense ಏನು?
Offense is NDPS, please, my lords.
NDPS. Grounds of arrest ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
It is alleged, I am alleging that the grounds of arrest is not given, as well as I have a video which says that the arrest which has been taken place on a different date itself. It may be posted anytime in the third week, my lords. I will
List the matter on
oblige.
24th in the fresh matters list. Yes.
Obliged, please.
Fresh matters number 2.
The respondent.
Petition.
I will hear this list on 27th for admission. Recall ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Lord, not 27th.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು?
25th.
ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ? 1923. Correct. 25th. Yes.
No, 24th, my lords.
24th also nadi. 24th for admission.
Fresh.
Admission. Yes. Next.
Number 3.
Petition. It's a WhatsApp message.
23-4 Sir Pokso. Why did you circulate? I had passed an order. Why the group admin has been left out?
Correct.
Why?
I've asked for an explanation from IWOMEN.
The learned additional SPP to secure instructions as to what has become of the order dated 2/3/2026. The order reads as follows. Instructions be sought as to why the group admin who had circulated the pictures of circulated the identity of the child victim has been left out from the umbrella of accused. List the matter on
24th.
24th. Yes, fresh matters.
4.
Serial number 4, my lord. I appear for the petitioner in this case. The last date of occasion, my lord, I made a specific submission that we accept the confession statement of the co-accused. There are no materials placed in the entire records, my lord. Neither in the FIR nor in the charge sheet, my lord. The name of the petitioner is forthcoming, my lord. The Honorable Apex Court, my lord.
ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನಾನೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೆ.
Your Lordship is directed to secure the antecedents.
Not fourth coming ಅಂತಾರೆ, fifth coming ಏನಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಜಾನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. As of now, my lord, there is no antecedent. He is a student.
Call record details. There are financial transactions. Money has been sent to the accused by the petitioner.
But that is made by co-accused, my lord, during police custody. Statement made by co-accused, my lord. As of now, there are no charge sheet.
I have myself written in Junaid that co-accused statement will ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. But ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ corroboration.
As of now, my lord, charge sheet which shows that, my lord, neither of the amount which are sent by the present petitioner to the accused number 1 account, my lord, they have not placed any materials. Additional charge sheet file ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. As of 7 months, my lord, they have not filed any additional charge sheet. Anticipatory bail ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಈಗ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. He has undergone spine surgery, my lord. Now the charges are yet to be framed in the present case, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, this is 109.
307 offense.
ಹೌದು, ಇದು NDPS ಅಲ್ವಾ?
307 offense.
307.
Allegation is that I have obtained the services of accused number 1 to 5, my lord. Soon after the incident, I have transferred an amount of 30,000. ಅದು ಬಂದು in the month of June, my lord. As of now,
a matter of evidence.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ there are no materials to proceed against the present accused, my lord.
ಅದು ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫೈಲ್
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. No ground to proceed against you.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They will investigate a matter and file the additional charge sheet. 7 months ಆಗಿದೆ, no charge sheet is filed.
Yes, get the learned additional SPP. Last time ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Learned additional SPP to secure instructions and make submissions as was directed on 10/3/2026 as a last chance on 24th in the fresh matters list. In the event no instructions are sought, entry mod would be granted as sought for.
18th, the trial court has posted for framing of charges, my lord. 18th.
There
is serious allegation. These the call records also
don't
there,
worry. Even if it is posted, I have already entertained the petition, so don't worry about it. 24.
Please.
5.
ಇದು NDPS.
No. Police officials who booked a case against the receiver of stolen goods, he in turn filed a complaint.
Husband of
entry ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
entry mod.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತಿದ್ ಮತ್ತೆ?
State was directed to be made a party, my lord.
You made state a party?
I made a state party.
Your Lordship, I see page 56, cognizance order 1 for a moment, my lord. Cognizance is taken under section 204 of CRPC.
Acting under 204.
ಹೌದು, but there is no, this is the cognizance order.
204 process issue ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನಿದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್
TF has to be paid.
Notice was not ordered, my lords, on the last occasion to the respondent number 1.
emergent notice to the first respondent complainant in first informant returnable by the 10th of ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅದು.
Please.
Anyway, you want a specific order?
I'll pay.
Emergent notice returnable by 9th April. Yes.
Interim
order continues. Next.
Right. For petitioners, my lord. On the last date, my lords, lordship
Last
has
date.
directed to secure the investigation paper from the respondent.
Case and counter case.
Yes, and counter.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರ ಕೇಸ್. The petitioners accused, sole accused. The petitioner sole accused is before the court calling in question crime in crime number 14 of 2026. The petitioner initially registers a complaint before the jurisdictional police for an incident that happens on 18/1/2026 at 10 a.m. That would be immediately after the said incident. It is registered as crime number 15 of 2026. Correct, Adu?
Correct. The respondent herein filed first
19/1, no?
Respondent herein filed first complaint.
No. You come to this, come to page, annexure D, page 20.
Correct, madam. That is filed by the the complainant.
No, Kiran Pinto, ಇವರೇ file
Correct.
ಮಾಡ್ರು.
Petitioner. He filed it at 10 a.m.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 10:15 a.m.
10:15 a.m.
ಹಾ.
Where this present crime number is filed at 2 a.m. my lord.
2 a.m. ಅದು?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Anyway, but the petitioner is before the, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. The petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime in crime number 14 of 2026. A counter, the petitioner also registers a complaint on 19/1/2026 on the incident that happens on 18/1/2026 at 10:15 a.m. Therefore, it is a case and counter case. The emergent notice to the respondent returnable by the 10th. The learned additional SPP to secure the investigation papers conducted till date. The matter arises out of certain relationship having gone wrong and on trivialities. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation by the petitioners till the next date of hearing. Or ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಹಾಕಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, sir.
7.
Yes, sir.
It is a case, my lord, where I have let out the premises.
You have let out.
I have let out.
Who is the lessee?
The lessee is the complainant, second respondent.
You have let out the premises.
Let out the premises.
He has sold the premises to someone
I
else.
have subsequently sold the premises to another person.
After letting it out.
After letting it out. It is a bhogya, my lord. It's a
No,
colloquial lease.
lease was in subsistence.
Lease was in subsistence.
Why did you sell? Why did you sell?
Lord, I sold the property to another party. The lease continued.
Lease
And I have
continued.
paid-
Lease continued with that third party also being bought into the loop.
Third party is aware because they are in possession all the time. And I have, my lord, paid the third party subsequent to the sale. For, there were three premises that
Is it indirect way of getting the tenant out of the premises?
No, my lord, what has happened? I sold it is much later. When he purchased the property, he takes a loan. Much later, about over 2 years after I have sold, he has secured a loan. He does not pay up. Then the securitization, under securitization.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು. But when was the?
My lords may see, my lord.
Did you inform the complainant about the sale?
No, my lord, I have not informed.
Why?
But
lease subsistence ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ, but lease continued even with the new
continue.
the buyer.
In fact, with the new landlord, I have paid, my lord, the new landlord 20 lakhs after the sale.
Not for a bail, which came to be dismissed.
Coordinate bench, Kodi.
Paragraph 9, my lord, last page.
ಇವರೇ bail ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು forward ಕೊಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
But that's on a wrong premise. My lords may see paragraph 9, my lord. Only paragraph 9 is this thing, the reasoning. It is assumed that I have taken a loan and that I am pressing for eviction of the second respondent, complainant. I have not secured a loan. The purchaser has secured a loan.
He is the owner.
No, but he is the owner.
Ah.
He has leased out the property.
No, he is the owner of the property. He leases it out to the complainant.
No, correct, madam.
Correct. Lease was in subsistence.
Correct.
He sells it to a third party. Lease continues.
Correct.
2 years thereafter, that third party secures finance on the property. He is entitled to.
No,
Secures finance on the property, doesn't pay. Securitization notice is sent on the property. Possession is taken by the bank. How is a lessee aggrieved by it?
No, he is supposed to have returned back the money.
That money you return.
He has not returned the money back to them.
A lease amount illi.
I have, my lord, paid the purchaser to 20
Purchaser ಬೇಡ sir, complainant.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಲೇ when I purchased, I sold the property, my lord, I have given him 3 units, 20 lakhs each, I have paid him.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
By money transfer.
ಅಲ್ಲ, for what purpose?
To pay to the existing tenants.
ಅಲ್ಲ, I will record that.
No, that, my lord.
It's a recovery
Instead of paying
proceeding.
it to him, he could have paid to the tenants.
ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ tenant ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅವರು ಇನ್ನ tenants ಆಗಿದ್ರು. Now he, because securitization proceedings have been initiated, now he wants.
Oh, you sold it to the tenants only.
No, my lord, I sold it to a third party. It is a lease, my lord, where it is a bhogya, a colloquial lease.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು sir.
Where the deposit has to be. That deposit I have given it to the new purchaser from me.
Okay.
Separately.
ಯಾಕೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಅವಾಗ tenant ಆಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, they did not want to vacate. So I have.
That's all right. They did not want to vacate. Vacate ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾರ್ತಾನೆ.
2 years they have stayed there.
Where any communication to the effect that ಇದು ಭೋಗ್ಯದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ?
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ರಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Subsequent to the sale, after the sale deed.
You tell me one communication from you.
No, my lord, there has unfortunately.
Oh, sir. But it's pure recovery process.
No, but ultimately, my lord, that the tenants have been cheated.
Tenants
They have deposited the money
have been
and
cheated 20 lakhs. He will undertake to pay it to the tenants. That's all.
Monday, my lord, Tuesday.
How do you pay now?
Lord, in fact, they have taken checks now through other means. Now they have obtained checks from me and all that has happened. But my lord, it is a pure recovery.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ?
Subject to, my lord, me recovering from the estate.
ಎಲ್ಲ this should be before the civil court recovery.
No, subject to recovering from the the buyer cannot be. You can't put a burden on the tenant.
Why should the tenant suffer? We'll answer it on merits, but you have to come out with some solution.
My lord, he has obtained a bail. I have not got bail. The original, now the purchaser has, he's got an anticipatory bail.
Of course, purchaser.
My bail application has been rejected.
It is his obligation to either
I have
return the
paid,
money
my lord, I have
or inform them in
evidence to
writing.
show.
Sir, evidence to show ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆ 20 lakhs ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Purchaser has got a bail now. He's also accused.
Yes, he's also accused.
Is he a party here?
He's not a party.
You make him a party here. Let the purchaser come and undertake that 20 lakhs was received for that. I will grant you.
But they are all hand in glove.
ಮತ್ತೆ.
My lord, he has obtained a loan and securitization proceedings have been initiated and he doesn't this thing. Because of those proceedings, the complaint has been filed.
Bail reject ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
Let me secure the papers, my lord.
Yes.
So bail on the wrong premise, my lord. My lords may see, my lord. Para 9 of
Irli. Anyway, you are absconding now. So remain in hiding. Yes. We'll take it on Tuesday. Tuesday, fresh matters. Yes. Learned additional
But
SPP is
Monday,
directed to accept
Monday.
notice.
Tuesday, I'm not.
Monday. Second Saturday instruction sigalla ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Tuesday, I'm not. I'm in Delhi, my lord, on Tuesday.
Tuesday you're in Delhi. Monday you're in Bangalore.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday?
Thursday seems to be a holiday.
ಆಯ್ತು. Yes. Mondayನೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
Great.
23rd.
23rd.
Great.
8.
Qualification, fistula.
Lord, the complaint of 21.
So what?
No. Lord, the
ಎಷ್ಟು surgery
treatment according to him.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, surgery ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. In fact, on the last occasion, your lordship had asked the prosecution to take particulars about the treatment.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
You call yourself a doctor?
Lord, I have produced the-
ಅಲ್ಲ, you call yourself a doctor?
I am, my lord.
Who
Under the
can
conventional
call
treatment.
oneself a doctor?
Lord, I have
ಅಲ್ಲ,
produced
who
the
can
certificate.
call?
No,
In
I-
medical parlance, who can call?
It's like-
MBBS.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆ, but ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ under section 4 of this PME Act.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
My lord, I have been given the certificate. On the last occasions, my lord, I had
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
produced the
ನೋಡಿದೆ.
documents.
ಅನುಭವಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಂಶ ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ ವೈದ್ಯರ
ವೈದ್ಯ
ಸಂಘ. ಇದು ಯಾರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
They have permitted under section 4, my lord, the last document, my lord, I had produced.
Oh. Lord,
I cannot speak something, my lord, which is beyond the record.
No, correct. ಇದು last time I asked you,
Please.
ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ, ನಾಟಿ, RMP ಮತ್ತು PMP.
ಏನಂತ?
RMP registered medical practitioner, PMP and Piles medical practitioner.
ತಾವು last time ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
Your lordship has dealt.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿರೋದು fistula operations.
Your lordship dealt with the issues when GM roster, my lord, where section
ಹೌದು.
4 of KPM. These people cannot be directed to.
And you call yourself a doctor.
Lord, writ
Doctor fistula. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಬರ್ದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
But ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 20.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು examination okay, vision okay, surgery.
Lord, surgery is not. In fact, this person is not known. That is why your lordship directed the prosecution, Lord, to produce some document to show that I have treated
ಸರ್ಜರಿ
him.
ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಏನ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there would be some symptoms, my lord.
No. ಇದು ಸಮ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಇದೇ ತರ ಇವರೇ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. 5 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ತರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 5 years ಇಂದ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಿಂತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ತರ ಫಿಸ್ಟುಲಾ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಿಂತಿಲ್ಲ. My lord, and my lord, what is the offense of cheating, my lord?
ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
You have lured someone for fistula when you don't have qualification.
My lord, 420, my lord.
Pure 420.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನು ಇರೋದನ್ನೇ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Because my lord, there is the certificate.
That conventional delivery of property will not apply here, sir. I will write what cheating means here. Hoodwinking so many people without qualification and saying that I have Paramparika Vaidya Sanghadinda qualification. Which is that Sangha? Why these Sanghas are existing?
No, my lord, the writ petition filed, a writ appeal filed, my lord, on the basis of that, my lord, it was done, my lord. That is why, my lord, I have produced the all documents. And there is an order passed by the government under section 4, my lord.
ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ ಸಂಘ. ನೀವು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ?
ಸರ್ಜರಿ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
See, basically, my lord, it is an external treatment.
External ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
Lord, ಅದು ಈಗ ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ, my lord, there are different ways of treatment, my lord, which I was told, my lord. In fact, my lord, when I was suffering from one such problem,
you had gone to this man.
My lord, I was suggested by people, go to such people. Lord, somehow, my lord, perhaps, my lord,
you are safe, man.
Perhaps,
You
my lord,
did
I
not
wanted
go, you
to go
did
in.
not go, you are safe.
But I was told that there are various types of treatment, my lord, which is more successful than the allopathic treatment.
Fistula ಮಾತ್ರ.
Piles fistula.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I've seen fistula, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, fistula and piles clinic.
Piles clinic. I think it is there throughout Bangalore. ಸುಮಾರು.
ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್.
Yes, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Your hospital ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್.
ನೀವು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಏನೇನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕುಲ್ತಾಪ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ನೋಡಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಸರ್ಸ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಜರಿನೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ? ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಏನ್ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
companies, that garbage bag ಹೆಸರು ಅದು miracle.
I'd reserved. Grateful. We'll conduct some fistula surgery. Yes.
Nine.
My lord, I appeal for the petitioners, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioners are accused number 5 and 6, my lord. It's a case pertaining to the examination of civil police constables.
Yes, sir.
My lord, the accused number 1, my lord, on his behalf, my lord, accused number 2 and 3, my lord. 2 has written the examination on behalf of accused number 1, my lord, and 3 has, my lord, he has run in an examination, my lord, in a physical examination. My lord, my role is accused number 5 and 6, that they have helped done the my lord. Except this, my lord, there is nothing on record to show that.
Come to page 68, sir.
68. Please, my lord.
68.
Please.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ SMS ಕಳಿಸಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಮಧ್ಯವರ್ತಿ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ
ಗುಡ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
My lord, in a similar circumstances, my lord, except my lord, when this was a similar circumstances,
except sending SMS from a mobile phone outside with the answers.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬರೆದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಆತರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ. My lord, these people have
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬರೆದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಪಿ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲಿಂಗ ಜಾಗನೂರ್ ಅಣ್ಣನಾಗಿದ್ದು
ಸರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ cohorts in crime. 120B ಇದೆ. A1
is his brother against ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು.
And ಇವ್ರು ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಇವತ್ತು I have police officer who doesn't even know where is the column of what time the crime incident happened. This is the result of
ಅದೇ ಕೆಲವು ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮಮೋಹನ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಈಗ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
My lord, except the voluntary statement of accused number 1 and 2, my lord, because your lordship in a similar
no sir, voluntary statement ಬೇಕಾಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು corroboration ನೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ corroboration CDR
no nothing. You want me to write? I'll write, no problem.
no my lord, page number 86, my lord, yes, in a similar circumstance, my lord, your lordship has quashed it, my lord. That is the reason, my lord.
No, that is not this crime.
At my lord, at page number
no sir, not a case for interference, Avinash, not at all.
My lord, I am permitted to withdraw this and file a discharge, my lord, at least.
Perfect. Discharge format. PM. Discharge format.
Obliged, grateful.
Yes. Next.
10.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
Yes, sir.
3 separate chain snatching ಒಂದೇ ಚೈನ್ ನ 3 ಸರಿ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
4 separate chain snatching.
Yes sir. Anything else sir? ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ BNS ಅಲ್ಲಿ 304 is new.
Page number 37.
ಒಂದಾರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Page number 97. 2 complaints are registered on the same day.
No problems. More different, 3 different places ali 3 different chains you have snatched.
Registered in the very same police station.
No problems.
And my lord,
complainant same.
Complainant 3 jana bere bere. Recovered chain is also same. My lord, the
chain,
photographs
chain
also,
and
my lord,
same.
97 and page.
Recovery is 3
page number 97, my lord.
ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ chain snatching ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
My lord,
no sir.
May make one submission, my lord. Delay in complaint ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಡಿಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ 8 ತಿಂಗಳು ಡಿಲೇ ಇದೆ. They say that, my lord, they have saw the, my lord, news in the flash news in the, my lord, TV, and then they came to file a complaint, my lord.
Correct.
May I read the complaint? The first complaint 23 days delay ಇದೆ. Second and third complaint, my lord, on the
20 first complaint ಎಷ್ಟು delay ಇದೆ?
23 days, my lord.
That is not fatal. We'll dismiss that. ಆಮೇಲೆ
second complaint, my lord, 8 months delay.
8 months delay ಯಾವುದು ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ.
Page number 34, my lord.
Second complaint. Crime number.
CC number 5 of 2023, my lord.
Crime number 5 of
2023, my lord.
ಇದು 8 months delay ನಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
crime number 145 of 2021.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು?
3 months delay, my lord, in
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, what happens, my lord, that
TVL news ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
he was arrested first.
Complaint ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
arrested first in this case.
Which one? 23.
First case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Crime number 130 of 2021, he was arrested. His voluntary statement was recorded. In the voluntary statement, he disclosed about the other offences as well. 2-3 other offences as well. During the course of the investigation, these chains are also being recovered. In the meanwhile, the complainants also filed a complaint.
Same day, my lords. ಒಂದೇ ದಿನ ಎರಡು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಫೈಲ್
Possible.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಟಿವಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Page 34, my
ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್
lords.
ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಟಿವಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೈನ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ.
34 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಚಿನ್ನದ ಸರವನ್ನು ಸಹ ಇದೇ ಮಂಗಳಮುಖಿ ಸುಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರಬಹುದು.
ಹೋಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ವಾಲಂಟರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್? ಗೊಂಬೆ ಅನಾಮಿಕಾ
ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಆಧಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಅವರು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ?
Transgender.
Transgender, my lord. He was studying in Mangalore, my lord. At that time, my lord, he has not joined their group, my lord. That is why, my lord, they have snatched the chain, my lord. Other group members, my lord. He has been, my lord, catched, my lord. On the day, my lord, he has been showed, my lord, in the TV. On the same day, my lord, 29/11/2021, my lord, 2 persons have, my lord, filed a complaint stating that, my lord, we have seen the news in the TV.
First one, my lord, the charges are framed as long as on 16/8/2023.
ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ.
And, my lords, in 2 cases, my lords, charges have not been framed, my lords.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
2080.
2080
Charges was
ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ
framed
ಬಾಲ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ. ಎಸ್.
CC 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 months delay.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
The proclamation is pending against him.
Appear before the court first. Next date ಏನು?
Next date last week iತ್ತು.
7/2/2026.
Now working
7/2/2026 ಇತ್ತು.
Next.
He is working in a company, my lords, in
No problem, sir. That doesn't mean that you should not go before the court.
That order of proclamation may be, my lord, cancelled.
No problem.
So
Now I'll dismiss. No
I will
case
appear
at all.
before. Lord, the second and third case is concerned, my lords. In the voluntary statement of the accused, my lord, he says, my lord, the chain, my lord, measuring 26, my lord, grams, my lord. The recovered chain is, my lord, 23 grams, my lord. That also does not tally. And, my lord, recovered chain, my lord, that is damaged chain, my lords. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ವಾಲಂಟರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 161 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು. ಇನ್ ದಟ್, my lord, he says, my lord, ಚೈನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಒನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕನಾಯಲಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಚೈನ್ ಅವನಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಅಂತ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ವಾಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಂತೂ ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್.
Order of proclamation may be cancelled, but I will
No,
appear before the
nothing.
trial court, my lord.
The petitioner is before the criminal petition 2084 of 2026. The petitioner is before the court calling in question proceedings in CC 5 of 2023 registered for offence punishable under section 392 of the IPC. The petitioner is the sole accused. Complainants differ in these 2 cases. The incident happens on 11/4/2021. The petitioner is said to have snatched the chains of 2 women who are the complainants in the cases at hand. The learned men, 2 men who are the complainants in different complainants in the cases at hand. The said incident becomes a crime in crime number
140.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು?
2021, my lord. First case.
First one ಯಾವುದು? In crime number 145 of 2021. The police conduct investigation and file a charge sheet, and the matter is pending before the concerned court as CC 5 of 2023. The petitioner has not appeared before the concerned court throughout the proceedings. Therefore, the concerned court has now issued a proclamation as obtaining under section 82 and 83 of the CRPC. It is then the petitioner has rushed to this court on the score that there is delay in registration of the complaint. The learned counsel for the petitioner would vehemently contend that the incident is alleged to have taken place on 11/4/2021 of a chain snatching from a man. The learned counsel further submits that the complainants come before the jurisdictional police and register a crime only when the events of the acts of the petitioner are aired, aired on electronic media. The learned counsel submits that this delay is fatal and there is no incident that has taken place, and 3 crimes are registered for a solitary incident of chain snatching. Per contra, the learned additional SPP B.N. Jagdish would vehemently refute the submission in contending that the petitioner initially gets embroiled in a crime number, first one another.
130.
130 of 2023. 130 of 2021, sorry. 130 of 2021. While recording the statement of the petitioner himself reveals that he has indulged himself in he has indulged in two other crimes. Therefore, the two other crimes are investigated into, and recovery is made of 3 chains that allegedly snatched by the petitioner. It is later the complainants also come and file the complaint for the recovery of the chains that were snatched on looking at the television, looking at the event being aired in television. Therefore, he would submit that the petitioner is guilty of chain snatching on 3 occasions and therefore should not be spared at the hands of this court. The learned counsel, hands of this court. I have given my so-and-so, therefore narrated facts. The issue in the list at this juncture would lie at a narrow compass as the submissions. The submissions are that the petitioner, that there is a complaint registered which is beyond 3 months or 8 months, as the case would be in both these cases. The incident takes place on 11/4/2021, 11/4/2021, which is an act of the petitioner snatching the chain of 2 persons when they were filling up fuel in a petrol pump at 2:30 AM. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? ಅವಾಗಲೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. At 2:30 AM. The chain snatching event is aired on the chain snatching event led to registration of a particular crime in crime number 130 of 2020, 130 of 2021. The petitioner in his statement recorded under section 161 of the CRPC admits to the crime and also admits that he has indulged in 2 other incidents. Two other incident of chain snatching which has become the crime in subsequent petitions. Though the crimes are registered on the complaint registered by those persons who had lost their chain, the 161 statement of the petitioner was enough for further investigation to be conducted. Therefore, merely because there is delay of 3 months or 8 months, as the case would be in both these cases, it would not mean that the petitioner should be absolved of the offences. The police conduct investigation and file a charge sheet. The summary of the charge sheet reads as follows, page 50. The summary of the charge sheet is clear that at 2:30 AM, when the complainant was filling fuel in a fuel station, the petitioner has pulled the chain which was about 80,000, which was valued at 80,000 then. Therefore, there is no warrant of interference with the act of this petitioner. Finding no merit in these petitions, the petition stands rejected.
The incident, one incident is on 17/8.
17/8. 11/4 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
11/4 is 1 and 17/8.
11/4 and 17/8. Yes. You have been in this business for a long time.
No, my lord. He was studying in Mangalore at that time, my lord.
Studying in Bangalore.
Mangalore. At that time, he has not joined their group, my lord. The group members were indulging in these offences, my lord.
Oh.
They have not been catched, my lord. My lord.
Right.
And my lord, he's on bail, my lord.
Bail ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Bail ಇದೆ. The warrant ಆಗಿದೆ. That may be, my lord.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ? ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ.
He's working, my lord, in MNC company, my lord, here.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತನಾ?
ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ bail ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಗಿ. Yes.
Please.
Yes, sir. Next. All 3. VM ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು serial number 11 and 12 connect ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಿ ಅದು. Yes.
13.
Counsel on record not having some personal, his mother has been expired in that yesterday evening. ತಾಯಿ ತೀರೋಗಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ. Kindly have it on Tuesday on the same
No, don't worry. Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner B. Latif. The emergent notice, one additional SPP 2 emergent notice. In the meantime, there shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation by the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
14.
Petitioner. This petitioner may is accused number 9, my lord. So far as accused number 8 is concerned, this is pertaining to the CRA.
3 more matters are there. Lordship can club all
Good, Allah. Numbers
Submitted along with the criminal petition
Number ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ.
607 of 20.
ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ ಉಮೇಶ್.
In the meantime, stay maybe.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ stay ಇದೆ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
stay ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರೆ.
Stay ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಇದೆ.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in the companion petitions there is an interim order. Only if there is an interim order in the companion, ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ. Only if there is an interim order, ಅದು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. If interim order ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ additional SPP 1, emergent notice 2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
15.
500 APC, Lordship. And for the respondent in this case, Lordship. Maybe permitted to file objections in this case.
File, sir.
And the next date is 19th, Lordship. At least accused 2 to 3, Lordship, 4, Lordship. They are my wife and children, my daughter, Lordship. At least against them.
The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks 2 weeks' time to file statement of objections. The concerned court shall defer its proceedings till the next date. List the matter on 25th in the fresh matters.
16.
My lord, on the last occasion, my lords had suspended the sentence on condition that 20% of the check amount be deposited. Trial court has passed an order, my lord. Petitioner is there at the bank right now, my lord, complying the order.
So this has become infructuous. Learned counsel for the petitioner. This court on 9/3/2026 had passed the following order. In furtherance of the said order, the petitioner deposited the amount and therefore the petition is rendered infructuous, disposed as having become infructuous. Next.
My lord, the sentence may be suspended, my lord.
Continue. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
Yes.
Yes.
17.
ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್, ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
She is playing with this man.
No, he has made telephone calls and thereafter also threatening, my lord, even after the affair.
After the threatened ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we'll see, but marriage ಅಂತೂ ಆಗಿದೆ. Have you seen this? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಯಾಕೆ all this?
No, that is, my lord, it seems to have done it for the because pregnancy, termination of
No.
pregnancy.
This just because judicial officer she cannot play with. Threaten ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that we will not say.
Subsequent to that FIR, I've got
The second petition.
One more FIR was registered in the last month.
ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
Your lordship is a
If
telephone
the magistrate is the complainant,
your lordship is
FIRs will be registered left, right, center.
Look, your lordship, see the call records, my lord. Why he has to call her and make this?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದನ್ನ ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
No, but knowing well, my lord, that incident.
No, the very fact that they are married and despite marriage she alleges outraging the modesty of women under 74 and 79 itself would belie her.
Let him show that document to show the registration of document.
Registration ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಮಾಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, registration is not.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ?
There's a long standing relationship of 3
even
years.
otherwise registration ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. If you see those, no 74, no 79. It is consensual acts.
Engagement ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. It was called for a birthday party ಕರೆದಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತ?
ಹೌದು, that is
what. So it is consensual. Where is 74, 79? Just because she is a magistrate, go on registering crimes after crimes.
May I make a small submission? I'm for the R2 in this matter.
Correct, sir.
Apart from these two, your lordship, there are 2 more FIRs.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Not by me, my lordship.
Then
some other women which against the petitioner. One is pending before the Tumkur, another one is pending before the Mysore. He's an habitual offender who contacts the victims or a complaint through matrimonial websites.
ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಮೋನಿಯಲ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಾ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ even alleges my engagement ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. She was in attend of training in Bangalore. Subsequently she gone to in the evening to attend the marriage birthday program.
Attend the birthday program ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್?
I have furthermore
engagement ring exchange ಆಗಿದೆ. Apart from that, even the document which is produced by
ring ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು, that even medical document which is allegedly submitted before this honorable court, your lordship, same is as filed before the family court in Mysore. The documents.
Her first marriage also suppressed. I have a document that she got a divorce also.
Local the hospital which they have issued.
ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್, she will lose her job. So she is a magistrate indulging in all this.
I'll produce all documents which is the.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವ್ರು habitual ಅಂತ ಬಿಡಿ. She is supposed to decide the fate of people.
Fraudulently create more documents, submit more forgery and
I have furthermore documents.
ಏನ್ forgery ಸರ್? ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Documents ನನ್ನ
ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಫೋಟೋದ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ?
ಹೌದು.
74-17 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
That doesn't mean he
G 76-2 ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ, 74-17 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
I'll find a detailed objection.
What detailed
We have
objections?
1 week time.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಲರ್ನಡ್ ಇನ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ FIR ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ದು? ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್.
There are 2 crime.
Bail rejected,
No, my lord, he is on bail. Now the my lord, they file an application for cancellation because of one more FIR registered ante.
2 more petition which he has not brought to the honorable court.
No
I have
problem.
placed that.
Get everything, sir.
Please, Lord. This is my humble submission on the even the complaint filed by other 2 women with the same allegations.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು.
No
That is also
problem.
state, my lord. I have produced the copy.
No problem at all.
Yes, I have placed yesterday.
Tag everything.
Those matters. Let me have a look at those.
Tag the petitions.
Yes.
4652 of 20.
That is the criminal petition 14345/20.
ಬರ್ತ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ತ್ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
There's one more, Lord. 14652 of 25, which is filed by another woman against the same petitioner. Criminal petition 146.
How many women you have got engaged to?
No, my lord, only one, my lord, that was filed after the registration of this FIR. She had, the magistrate has contacted this victim girl and knowing that he had a relationship earlier and made her to file a complaint.
She's already married,
She already married and divorced. That second respondent.
Oh. Correct number ಕೊಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
That is accused number 2 and 3.
14345 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
14652 of 25 so.
ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ 14652.
Please.
List them all on 24th in the fresh matters list. Objections if any by then by the respondent. Interim. There shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation query the petitioner till the next date.
Further proceedings.
CC ಆಗೋಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್
Obviously ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರುವಾಗಲೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ರು.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Next matter. Submission and the complaint magistrate ಆದ್ರೇನು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ harassment is a very peak. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
Harassment
restitution of conjugal rights ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ
ರೆಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
the petition.
ಯಾಕೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
There was no marriage has taken place. In the absence of marriage, there is no point even to file for restitution of conjugal rights. They only to harass the.
No,
and the pressure is her to.
No problem,
withdraw
sir.
the petitions.
If he has no case, we will dismiss it. We will get into the root of the matter and see. Yes.
And even she taken a medical leave, she is roaming around all with the petitioner. And all the places are placing the photographs. Each places have, Lord. And he went to Mangalore, Lord, and different places of the state.
She was in the Mangalore.
Taking a medical leave and maternity leaves.
No, not a
Maternity leave.
Maternity leave ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They have an instruction from the party.
Maternity leave application ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. My party has instructed that to.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
We will get the record of the judicial officer, not a problem. Yes, we will get everything.
And we place the entire material before the vigilance also.
No problem. No. Maternity leave ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು is not a guarantee of marriage.
Please.
But we'll answer it. Yes.
You can get it internally.
Those documents will be part of it.
We'll see. Yes.
18.
This was a case where my lords are directed.
No, take. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸನತ್ ಕುಮಾರ? Shant Kumar, yes. Learned Counsel Shant Kumar accepts notice for the NDPS.
This is a case my lordship is wanting to know.
NDPS alla, sorry. Yes.
Yes, my NDPS.
NDPS.
Yes, this is a case for a rave party where your lordship wanted to know without arrest how did you.
Correct.
Producing the arrest.
Oh, blood test.
Yes, blood test.
Take it on Monday, please. ಅದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. Yes.
19. Hearing for respondent, my lords, I seek the
short accommodation to file my objections.
Interim order untala?
They have an interim order. They kindly have it on
Lordships have
27.
said not to proceed. First week of April.
Yes.
ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್?
There are two matters which are tagged now. The first round, that is separate, my lords. Where B report is.
ಇದು ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Idu andre, lords, that was B report was filed. When pending B report, they give a complaint. Now that complaint was stayed. In spite of it, ECIR is registered. So one ECIR and as against the earlier complaint, which B report is filed, ECIR was filed. That was stayed. Now B report has been accepted.
ECIR was subsisting when the B report was accepted?
Yes, but after filing of BCI.
No, my lord.
Yeah.
No, my lord, it's not correct.
Then?
ECI was, when B report was pending, that is when the complaint was filed by us.
That is what I am asking.
Yes, my lord.
Then why are you saying like this?
No, I'm saying complaint was filed when B report was pending adjudication.
I only asked whether ECIR was in subsistence when the B report proceedings.
Please, my lord. Yes.
So that goes now second ECIR.
My lord, I'll file my objections.
Now you should say like this. Yes. Learned Counsel Arunparna seeks 2 weeks time.
Please.
2 weeks time to file statement of, in the lighter way, madam. Don't. 2 weeks time to file statement of objections. List the matter on 26th.
Please. My lord's 27th, my lord. There is one more matter.
One more matter. ASG will come?
Yes, my lord.
27th. Yes. Neviralva?
My lord's 27, another matter is coming. On that day, if it is taken.
Mahesh Iralva? ಇನ್ನು ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಿದೆ. That you going out? We'll take it on. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ next 7th April. 7th April. Interim order stroke protection subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Please. 20.
One additional SPP to emergent notice.
That the first matter objections may be over because they want the name of.
Office objections overruled. Yes. 21 additional SPP to emergent notice in the meantime.
There is no charges. Charges are not been framed.
So what? ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Lots of one submission, hand delivery.
Why?
Because yesterday they have issued a summons.
Advocate Protection Act.
Yes. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನೇನು? Frivolous.
Should have been not.
Totally frivolous.
Case number.
Stayed hand delivery.
21.
I prefer.
Atrocities.
Road block ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಸ್.
ನೀವು ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Heard the learned counsel Rajshekhar appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is before the court calling in question proceedings in special case 5 of 2026 registered for offences. Charge sheet allide page illide bidi. For offences punishable under so and so page 33 allide VM
19 allo
ಏನು ಕೈ ಬಿಡಲಾಗಿದೆ? ಯಾವ offense? ಬರೀ 504 506 ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The offences alleged are the ones punishable under section 504 and 506 of the IPC and the offences under the Atrocities Act -31R and S. For an offence to be the offence to become punishable under section 31R and S, it should the alleged hurling of abuses must have happened in public place or in a place of public view, which is neither in the case at hand. The permitting further proceedings against the petitioner would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Hitesh Verma versus State of Uttarakhand 2020, 10 SCC page 710. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings by the petitioner until the next date of hearing.
Great.
Next.
22.
Case of trap. It's on the date of Milord's the trap. There is Milord's no demand nor acceptance. In fact, Milord's money is recovered from the behest of Milord's.
From?
accused number 2. I am petitioner my lords accused number 1. In fact, if your lordships were to my
Page
lords,
number 49. Trap Mahazar. He number Barko. He gives the number. And they call that number and that is accused number 2.
sorry my lords, that is not accused number 2. That is one other my lords of staff.
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
No, that is my lords one
Section
other
ಗೆ.
staff. If your lordships were to my lords see, my lords, a couple of
I can
conversation
understand
above.
if it was totally a different person, my lord's interfering is understood. He gives the number, that number only they call, they go and hand over the money.
Your lordship may kindly see my lords the conversation. The complainant would say amount ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. You would say my lords
Bescom
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Engineer.
Your lordship may kindly see my lords page 49. See my lords
I'll
ಆಮೇಲೆ
file
ಕೊಡಿ
my
ಅಂತಾನೆ
counter,
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
my lords.
ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
They will list it on 26th, file their counter. Counsel Baby Patil seeks 10 days time to file objections. List the matter on 26th, objection if any by then, 26th in fresh matters list.
Oblige.
Please.
But a report had to be filed as per the.
Madam?
A report had to be filed from the police my lords as per the last instruction.
Fifth layer ವರ್ಗೂ trace ಆಗಿದೆ lordship
Ah?
details, but report is not yet filed.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು.
Records ತರಿಸಿದೀವಿ, but report file ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ lordship.
ನಾನು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಏನು ಅಂತ. Because petitioner is the complainant here.
Expedite ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Ah.
PDP.
Expedite the investigation. What is the investigation till date? It is crime 214 of 22. Madam, it is 214. It's a cyber crime.
Please lordship.
2 years ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡದೆ ಅವರು? What is this?
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ trace ಮಾಡಿ? How long will you trace?
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. In spite of giving issuing notices also, they are not investigation officers
Yeah, who?
accused. Unknown person ಇದೆ, but
Then
account
whatever
trace
you
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
have to file, you have to
Take
file.
custody
How long
act.
will you do this?
Notices serve ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ in spite of.
The learned HCG, learned additional SPP to explain as to why despite passage of 20 months, there is no final report filed in the case at hand. The learned additional SPP submits that the accused are not traceable, nor the account details are.
Account details are traced.
The account details are traced, but the accused details are not traceable. Not if the account details are there, the accused not traceable.
They are not.
What submissions? Therefore, the explanation be submitted by the next date. List the matter on 25th in fresh matters list. Yes.
Petitioner, let's petition seeking relaxation of condition to sell the vehicle, Range Rover 3.0 Sport. Malaj, what is? Petitioner Malaj is neither the accused nor the complainant. Malaj, even the trial court has held that the entire trial is a wastage of time, criminal, and the A1 has compounded the offense with the complainant. Despite
Vehicle yardo?
Vehicle Malaj is mine, Malaj, petitioner. I filed a 451, 457 application.
That is rejected.
That is allowed, but onerous
Allowed,
financial, yes, onerous financial conditions are imposed.
What is that financial condition?
Malaj, third condition is that in the case court comes into conclusion that the vehicle is purchased out of the proceeds of the crime, in the latest stage, petitioner is liable to pay loss to the de facto complainant. Malaj.
So what is wrong with that?
He has compounded the said offense with the accused, Malaj. Such onerous financial conditions, Malaj.
Where is the compounding order?
Malaj, may kindly come to page number 349, Malaj, volume 2. This is the criminal revision petition which was filed by accused number 1.
1 minute. Page
349, Malaj, volume 2. Son. In that, Malaj, para 21, if I may.
Paragraph
21. 360 son. Trial is conducted wasting the judicial time. They have compounded between themselves.
Why was your vehicle involved in this?
Malaj, the accused number 1 had promised to sell the vehicle. He acted like a broker, and for a temporary basis, I gave the possession. But Malaj, Malaj may kindly see, the trial court also states that in this entire charge sheet, it is not stated how the car is related to the accused.
then it is not stated the car is used out of the commission of the alleged offense. It is also not stated in the IO that the car is purchased of the proceeds of the crime. Malaz, may kindly see page number 23. Page number 23, para 6.
23 ಯಾವುದು? First volume.
First volume, son.
Despite that, this condition is imposed. Is it?
Please. All of the conditions. One is
This is in the reasons or what? In this
This is
case,
the
correct?
reasons.
Yes.
in this case, FIR was registered against the accused number 1 and the other accused. The car against which
ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. The petitioner is before the court calling in question a particular condition imposed while answering an application filed by the petitioner under section 451 and 457 of the CRPC.
3 conditions, Malaz, actually.
Hello, one of the conditions. The petitioner gets involved indirectly in a crime in crime number another
CC 3090, CR number
Alright.
40.
in crime number 40 of 2021 2020 which was then pending as CC 3090 of 2021. The accused and the complainant were different. Only the vehicle that belonged to the petitioner was involved in the crime of a transaction of a commercial transaction between the accused and the complainant. The concerned court closes the proceedings against the accused on the complainant and the accused entering into a truce. The observations of the concerned court in criminal revision petition 251 of 2021 would assume significance. It reads as follows, page 360-61, volume 2. The concerned court observes that it would be waste of judicial time to try the said offence in the light of the settlement between the parties. The petitioner, after the closure of the proceedings, files an application for release of the vehicle in his favor. The concerned court, by the impugned order, allows the application by imposing the following conditions. Page 26-27. The petitioner is aggrieved by the third condition that the petition.
All the conditions, Malaz.
All the conditions.
Reason being that none of the conditions are.
The petitioner is aggrieved by all the conditions that are imposed while allowing the application. The learned counsel would take this court through a particular observation by the concerned court in the impugned order. The observation is as follows, page 23-26. The concerned court observes that the vehicle does not belong to the accused at all. And entire charge sheet, the entire charge sheet does not relate to the vehicle. In the entire charge sheet, there is no indication that the vehicle belongs to the accused. If this was the observation and the accused and the complainant have settled the dispute and by filing a compounding application before the concerned court, it is ununderstandable as to why the vehicle should not be handed over to the petitioner free from all conditions. In the light of the aforesaid reasons, the vehicle shall be crime close agide. In the light of the aforesaid reasons, the following order allowed cost insofar as the conditions are imposed.
Great.
The vehicle shall be handed over to the petitioner free of all conditions.
25, maybe for the petition. Report also.
(306).
306, 498A.
Complainant.
201 also.
Investigation paper, sir.
The further investigation ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. What do you want to be added? 302.
No,
Then
the mobile, laptop, and also tab of the deceased, they are seized.
we wanted them to be sent for retrieval of the data. to
For
the-
what purpose?
Because everything is deleted.
No, only
She had
I've been
maintained
told, my
everything
lord,
there.
that
She had talked with the other people also, her parents and everyone. And everything is deleted.
I've been told, my lord, that only I think the phone was unable to unlock. Rest of the things is unlocked and sent to FSL.
Checkmate.
They sent it to Basveshwar Nagar police station. They do not have the advanced tool to retrieve these.
So they have sent it to cyber cell police station.
Madiwala,
If there is
they
something
will have to
required,
send
we will send it to FSL.
Madiwala, FSL or Hyderabad.
If something required, we will send it to FSL, my lord.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎರಡೇ ಇರೋದು ಮಡಿವಾಳ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ
Yeah.
ಸಾರಿ ಮಡಿವಾಳ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್.
They have sent it to cybercrime police station to retrieve the data. I've been told, my lord, one of the thing was not unable to open. If it is required, we'll send it to FSL.
And also 201 also.
Get the instructions. 25th fresh matters. Next.
201 also no investigation is done.
Delete ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ destruction of evidence. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 201
Moreover,
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
diary also 16 pages are torn out.
Who did that act?
Husband. In the house itself it is done. And no investigation is done. His mobile is not.
498 306.
Yes.
25th. Yes.
26. Date is given.
25th.
26.
5th.
5th.
25.
My lord, I'm appearing for the petitioner. R7 component service is incomplete in this matter. My lord, in the last hearing, my lord has granted an interim order of stay.
ಯಾವುದು
and,
ಗಿರೀಶ್?
26-38766 of 25.
Yes.
R7 component service is incomplete.
Yes.
But I'm praying my lord to consider a prayer regarding the departmental inquiry.
Against whom?
Against the sub-inspector who actually abused and threatened the petitioner. May I request my lord to turn to page number 98, the complaint which was filed with the superintendent of police and the DGIGP, which was not considered, and he was made party by name in this petitions. Both petitions he is arrayed as party.
One ನಿಮಿಷ.
My lord.
98 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
98 is a complaint.
ಅಲ್ಲ, what has happened to that
Nothing.
complaint?
Nothing.
Yes, Jagdish sir.
This is that old man's case.
Correct. ಅಲ್ಲ, why nothing has happened to this? ಈಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Entry order ಇದೆ my lord.
I
But
will direct them.
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ತಾವು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಮೂರನೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ಬಂದು ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ ಬಳಲುತ್ತಿರುವ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಓದೋದು.
ಇಂಥ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಮತ್ತು ಬೈದು ಅವರನ್ನು ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಯಾರು? ದಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಮನ್.
ಸಬ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್. After I file a complaint against sub-inspector, he comes to my home and he threatens, and then he instigates the complainant to file a complaint.
Heard the learned counsel Girish Bharadwaj appearing for the petitioner. This court on 17/2/2026 had passed the following order. The learned counsel would take this court through the document appended to the petition to demonstrate that there is no action taken on the complaint so registered by the petitioner before the jurisdictional police, before the superintendent of police of Chikbalapur district. The complaint reads as follows. If the complaint is seen, it on the face of it becomes an offense. A departmental inquiry in the least should have ensued. Therefore, albeit prima facie, the learned additional SPP to secure instructions as to what has become of the complaint dated 8/10/2025 submitted by the petitioner,
Wife of the petitioner.
wife of the petitioner, and report back to the court on the next date. List the matter on 26th in the fresh matters.
My lord, a similar matter may be tagged.
Tag the petition along with ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
And the regarding service, my lord, state may be directed to serve service through jurisdictional police.
The policeman is the
No. The complainant was instigated by police. So the complainant, the service.
That's all.
1 to 6, 7 may not let him issue a process.
It is process.
Seven is the complainant.
Correct. He's not receiving the notice is the information. I'm requesting.
Process ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
And 8 and 9 also I'll take.
8, 9.
Yes.
Learned additional SPP accepts notice for respondents.
1 to 6.
1 to 6.
And 8 and 9.
8 and 9 already ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. Additional SPP for 1 to 6, 8 and 9. 7 already steps ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Steps ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, but the information is not receiving the notice. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ jurisdictional police.
The police report ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗು. The police report await the service of notice to the 7th respondent. List the matter on 26th in the fresh matters.
Grateful.
27th. All right.
Grateful.
27.
Please, my lord. Here.
DRI.
Yes, a GST matter, my lord, we have sought for quashing of proceeding. My lord, the petitioner, my lord, he is the proprietor of the business concern by name MK Traders. My lord, he was carrying on business of iron scrap, my lord. He had obtained, my lord, registration certificate under GSTR. He was carrying on the business. Suddenly, my lord, that state GST authorities have put visit to his business place, conducted a inspection, my lord, regarding the certain non-payment of or the discrepancy in respect of his returns and also the actual goods which has been supplied. My lord, they conducted search, my lord, on 17/6/2025. After conducting search, my lord, they initiated a proceeding and by them under the GST Act. They called upon the petitioner to produce required documents, my lord. Time to time, he has produced the documents. And my lord, for the last, my lord, he was assisting the state GST. My lord, the last document which was produced on 9/9. Lordship, kindly see this document. It is 9/9, my lord. The acknowledgement, your lordship gets it at page 26, my lord. On this day, kindly see page 26.
Yes, sir.
My lord, this is the acknowledgement that they gave that he has produced, my lord, all relevant documents. The matter was being investigated by state GST authorities.
Yes.
My lord, kindly bottom, my lord, this acknowledgement 9/9/25. 10/9/25, my lord, suddenly this DDG authorities, my lord, Director General of Central Goods Authorities, they put visit to his premises, his business place. They conducted search, my lord, found nothing, no incriminating article was found. My lord, in the course of search, my lord, when they have put this petitioner, my lord, had apprised him, has apprised those officials of DGGI that already state GST authorities have initiated the proceeding. He has produced all the document before them. He had explained his transaction. They are under investigation. This was made known to these authorities at the time of inspection and search conducted of his house and also business place. Well, they did not listen to it. They concluded the search. Nothing incriminating was seized. Well, it's most unfortunate that the matter is now being taken up by Central Vigilance of GST. Well, they in order to go out of the house, well, they put a demand of money.
Who?
This the DGA authorities.
On that point, I
Yes,
strongly
yes.
object.
I will
Let
produce
him place,
this
he's a senior counsel, let him place record. It is.
Yes, yes. I have to place, my lord, that I may be given, my lord. Your lordship may kindly. I have to produce some more documents, your lordship, that these documents, my lord, that kindly. Now the matter is under the Vigilance Department of DGGI for investigation regarding the corruption allegation made.
Against whom?
Yes, against these very authorities who came, my lord, to conduct search.
Be a complaint given, that's all.
Yes.
No substantiation.
It is there, your own authority, Vigilance Department is investigating this matter.
Yes.
My lord, they did not go out, my lord, they started harassing this petitioner. Family members were there in home, my lord, that they tortured them. Then, my lord, they insisted that he should bring money now itself. He was sent out of the house to arrange and come. My lord, at 9 p.m., my lord, he could arrange, my lord, up to 1 CR, paid them in BR Garden hotels near Palace, Mysore.
But how? Cash?
Yes. My lord, this was arranged, my lord, collecting from so many persons. He was sent out at 5:30.
Video ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇದೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್.
ಕೊಡಿ.
And my lord, that kindly this my lord pen drive it is, your lordship.
ಕೊಡಿ pen drive.
This recordings, my lord, conversation, telephonic conversation.
No, he told video.
No,
He
video
told
also.
video.
No,
Now
you
he's telling
said
audio.
in some hotel you arranged and paid
my lord, that
and
this
you have
is-
shot that video.
No, not shot. He has not shot, my lord, that before being handed over, the conversation is recorded. This is, my lord, in the pen drive. The conversation was recorded in the mobile phone of this accused. That mobile phone is in the custody of this the DGG authorities. Well, they asked him to open it at the time of investigation. He did not open because all this, my lord, transaction of demand was recorded, still there in the mobile phone. The voice of the officers are there. Particularly,
Demand is there in that?
yes, it is there, my lord. In this pen drive also there. Though, my lord, clearly it can be understood what was the demand and all that.
Now what's on the merit of the matter?
Merit of the matter, your lordship, only one aspect, my lord, that now law is very clear, my lord, that as per the decision of Armor Securities India Limited and section 62B, my lord, that is very clear. Kindly, my lord, that conclusion, my lord, kindly go to paragraph 92, your lordship. They have discussed, my lord, almost all aspects, my lord, in this.
92?
Paragraph 92.
Yes, sir.
In construing section 62A, it is imperative to have due regard to the legislative intent.
Armor
for-
Security.
Yes. Armor
Yes,
Security
yes,
India
yes.
Private Limited. My lord, it is imperative to have due regard to the legislative intent permitting the GST enactment section 6. In particular, advances the objective of establishing a unified national market for goods and services and to prevent taxpayers from the undue hardship of being subjected to the rigors of multiple jurisdictions. The provision serves a twofold purpose. First, to insulate taxpayers from the prospect of being proceeded against by more than one authority for the same subject matter. Let me kindly see. Here also, my lord, the same subject matter was being investigated by the state GST, who is a proper officer defined under the Central Goods and Service Tax Act. My lord, proceeding was initiated by them on 17/6. My lord, as on 10/9/2025, there is no order of council, my lord, as required under section 62B, directing these DG authorities to take up this investigation. My lord, at the time of visit, my lord, this petitioner has apprised them. He had the document to show that the state authorities are investigating this matter. In spite of it, my lord, they conducted a search, they found nothing in all that. My lord, this matter, let me kindly, the principle of law, now that 62B prohibits another department to take up the same matter running a parallel investigation under the act. This is totally, my lord, that the conclusion, your lordship may kindly see. My lord, I was in midst of reading 93 paragraph.
Yes, yes.
Thereby avoiding multiplicity of proceeding. Such a construction is also in consonance with the well-recognized principle of comity between the jurisdictions, which mandates that coordinate authorities must act with mutual respect and due regard for each other's domain, so intent. Section 62A is couched in terms that are both enabling and mandatory. It confers upon, simultaneously obliges the proper officer to issue a corresponding order under the state GST in cases where an order is being issued under central GST. Not that its intended purpose of avoiding multiplicity of proceeding and securing uniformity of adjudication across the parallel enactments. Inasmuch as the central GST vests the proper officer with the authority to issue orders under various provisions, it becomes imperative that such officer duly apprises the jurisdictional counterpart of any action initiated by the department in relation to so and so. The initiation of parallel or overlapping proceeding against the same taxpayer by different wings of department is. Now, conclusion, my lord, that class B of section 2 of section 6 of CGST Act and the equivalent state enactment bars the initiation of any proceedings on the same subject matter. Any action arising from the audit of accounts and detailed scrutiny of returns must be initiated and so on. Roman 3 is important. Intelligence-based enforcement action can be initiated by any one of the central or state tax authorities, despite the taxpayers having been assigned to the other administration. Parallel proceedings should not be initiated by other tax administration when one of the tax administrations has already initiated intelligence-based enforcement action. All actions that are initiated as a measure for probing an inquiry or gathering of evidence and information do not constitute proceeding within the meaning of section 62B of the CGST Act. The expression initiation of any proceeding occurring in section 62B refers to the formal commencement of adjudicatory proceedings by way of issuance of show cause notice, does not encompass the issuance of summons or the conduct of any search or seizure. Now, my lord, this case covers, my lord, the state GST authorities. Kindly see, my lord, page, my lord, they sent a show cause notice to this petitioner because of initiation of proceeding, page 98, your lord. Page 98 is the show cause notice. Kindly, my lord, demand, my lord, as per the state GST at page 124, your lord. Start from 98. Ending page, my lord, is 124.
This is by the KGST.
State GST, my lord.
That's what,
yes,
Karnataka.
Karnataka GST. My lord, the demand as per them, my lord, 2 crore 20 and 2 crore 20 in around, my lord, 4.4, my lord, it is.
When did the vigilance wing of the central GST take over?
Not take over, my lord, not take after filing charge sheet, my lord, they have taken. Till filing of charge sheet, my lord, the complaint, the state was continuing. Kindly for this, your lordship gets, my lord, that at page 308, my lord, last two, 308, my lord, 14/11/25 is the date on which the state GST have given transfer to this DDGI. Till, my lord, before this, well, from 10/9, my lord, investigation was taken up by DGI, and my lord, that they filed complaint, my lord, on 11/11, your lordship. 13/11, my lord, I will show the complaint, your lordship, kindly at page, my lord, 148. This complaint was filed. Of investigation and filing of complaint. Well, and unilaterally, parallelly, they go, my lord, of their own investigation. Well, the state was also investigating. Well, the state also had issued a show cause notice. Well,
No, was the investigation by the state complete?
Well, it was incomplete, your lordship. Till 14/11, it was incomplete. Incomplete records, my lord, was taken, my lord, after filing complaint. After, my lord, 13/11, my lord, the complaint was filed. 1411, my lord, the state records was taken.
No, you have to tell me the statutory bar.
62B, my lord, it is. Subject matter is same, my lord. For this, your lordship may kindly. Subject
Because
matter.
the act should
Yes, yes.
permit the because there
They
is
cannot-
cross,
they cannot
no,
do-
these acts, there is cross empowerment.
No cross empower, my lord. Only in
I'll
a
explain
limited only. Lordship may kindly cross empower only if a council, my lord, appointed by central government. My lord, after verification of state GST authorities records, my lord, if they recommend for investigation by DGI, then only they can take up. Your lordship may kindly see 62B. Very clear it is.
GST.
And Supreme Court, it has put it very clear, my lord, that if they abuse, my lord, the
No,
abuse
correct.
party has an.
If one has already decided or taken up, parallel
up,
proceedings cannot be.
Cannot be, my lord. That is what it is. Section 6(2) itself, my lord, is very clear, your lordship. 6 section GST.
In this judgment, para 41.
Yes, 40. Is extracted.
Where a proper officer under the state goods and services tax or the union territory goods and services
Yes.
tax has initiated any proceedings on a subject matter, no proceedings shall be initiated by the proper officer under the same act or on the same by the proper officer under this act or on the same subject matter.
Subject matter. This is, my lord, 6(2)B, your lordship. That is, my lord, the statutory bar. This has been, my lord, kindly 43, my lord, that.
Yes, sir.
44, my lord, that 43, in conformity with the scheme, my lord, in that facts and circumstances of that case, my lord, the lordship they discussed.
Yes, sir. 62B, I think. Next.
Yes, 6(2)B, my lord, the provision is bar. My lord, that when they can cross over investigation, my lord, that if the council appointed by Government of India recommends that this same subject matter requires to be investigated by an authority which is recommended by them, then, my lord, they can take over the investigation from the state GST, can verify, can conduct investigation, but not parallel investigation. At no stage, my lord, parallel investigation is permitted. Now, your lordship may kindly see the complaint, my lord, filed here, 1311 till 1411, it was the GST of state was continuing investigation. They were also continuing investigation, and my lord, 1310, my lord, show cause not notice was issued on the same subject matter. The demand of GST as per the state, my lord, was only 2 crore, my lord, totally 4.4 crore, my lord, is the demand of GST. Now, this he was being explaining it. He has produced the documents on 9/9. I shown, my lord, annexure A, your lordship, that the documents which were produced on 9/9, till then, my lord, the proceeding was continuing. Thereafter also they continue. My lord, when the law is very clear, my lord, in Armor Securities India Limited, lordship, Supreme Court says that, my lord, that when parallel proceedings are there, if they don't obey to the words of the, my lord, assessee, my lord, he can resort to the jurisdiction of under Article 226.
Correct.
But
I am-
they have given an authority that
I have
to
no
abuse
doubt.
person.
I have no doubt about that
Yes,
at
yes,
all.
my lord,
Yes.
that well, it is an abuse of process of law. It is without jurisdiction, your lordship. My lord, the investigation taken up, my lord, it is not actually for the purpose of investigating it. My lord, their object is totally different. They have rushed, my lord, to the house of the accused on the guise of this. My lord, they put forth the demand. This matter is now being investigated by vigilance of DGI. I produced the letters. He has given the statement for them. One of the officers, my lord, has been suspended. Action show cause notice is issued, my lord, against other officers. This is, my lord, another aspect regarding, my lord, extraneous aspect is concerned. As your lordship rightly put, my lord, that regarding merits of the case is concerned. Well, the date of initiation of proceeding is on 17/6. Till 14/11, my lord, investigation was at the hands of GST. They are the proper officer. There is no stand of them that, my lord, they were not proper officer. Legally, they were empowered to, and they were the proper officer to investigate this matter. They were investigating it. My lord, at least, my lord, that when they put a visit on 10/9, when the petitioner apprised to them that another officer is investigating this matter. Well, from 10th onwards, they could have asked the state GST authorities, stop, we have taken up now, give your records, we want to verify. If at all, if you have got any cross-overing powers or superpower under the GST, well, there is no such power at all. Prohibits, law prohibits, my lord, that everyone is governed by law. If it is, my lord, that if they encroach to this level, my lord,
Who
for
is-
sake of something,
Who is
you know,
not
that-
bound by law?
Well, this is, well, it has happened in this case. Well, this cannot be done, my lord, that's what my submission is.
We'll hear him.
Now, you Lordship may kindly see this, in this case, my lord, what happened was, during investigation, my lord, that they allowed him to go on 9-9. My lord, 9-9 part complied. Again, they asked me, they did not arrest him at all on 9-9, he was in house. They say, my lord, that to cover up this, they lodged a complaint before Ennarmala police station stating that we officers were resisted, assaulted while conducting search like that. A false complaint was filed, got registered FIR, my lord, under in crime number 161.
That is not stayed.
My lord, they
You have
have
not
taken
challenged
bail,
it,
my lord. We have to challenge, my lord. We have to challenge because of this petition will come in this week, that week, my lord. It has
Now
passed
it has
for more
come.
than- more than 2 months, your lordship.
Now this has come.
This has come.
Yes.
We have to challenge that, my lord. We have to file additional grounds also in support of this
No,
petition.
no, I'll
There are
answer
so
this.
many.
No worries.
Yes, my lord. This
Because
is
we have projected a jurisdictional point.
jurisdictional point.
We'll
my lord,
answer
it
the
is-
jurisdictional point after hearing Madhu.
Yes, and the reason, my lord, arrest was affected, my lord, that, my lord, 10-9 was the date of proceeding. Till, my lord, 16-9, they allowed him. My lord, 16-9, they asked him to bring it. He landed at the airport, my lord, explained that airport, my lord, is the place they asked. He came there, he was arrested, searched, my lord, 4-5 mobile phones and one laptop, my lord, was there, it was seized. He was taken to their office, effected arrest, my lord, and 16th itself he was produced, my lord, and pushed to judicial custody. Well, he has been granted bail. Well, during investigation, my lord, they started, my lord, the investigation was continued.
I
My lord,
will hear
bail
jurisdictional point, Matte, you are
ultimately-
repeating. Yes.
Yes, sir. My lord, a bail was granted. Now, my lord, that complaint is also filed. The complaint is clearly for the year 2021 to 2025. My lord, for 4 years, my lord, annual returns. As per them, my lord, state authority, the demand is about 4.4. Now, their demand, your lordship, that as per this, your lordship, that in complaint tabulation, your lordship, may kindly see. Well, page 162, your lordship.
Iವ್ರದೆಷ್ಟಿದೆ the demand?
Iವ್ರದ್ದು 22 lakhs, 22 lakhs. Sorry,
22?
22 crores, 22,
Ah.
22 crores.
More than that.
That is what it is, you know, your complaint, I am reading it, it is.
All right, all right.
I'll read
This
something else.
is,
Yes,
this, your lordship may kindly see.
Pasha sir,
One
I'll hear him.
minute, 1 minute,
Jurisdictional
your
point,
lordship.
we'll
The
decide it.
jurisdictional point before that, your lordship, that the tabulation what they have shown, my lord, in the complaint. This complaint cannot be looked into because it is unauthorized. It is, they have no jurisdiction to investigate.
No, I
this
will not
matter.
look into all that. Only jurisdictional point.
Yes, your lordship.
If
may
there is no
kindly be-
jurisdiction, no jurisdiction.
My lord, one paragraph, my lord, I take your lordship to. Kindly page 158, your lordship.
158.
158.
Hmm. Hmm.
My lord, the tabulation, your lordship, may kindly see diagram, my lord, that
Hmm.
from UK steels, my lord, this much it was the GST.
Hmm.
My lord, right side last column, my lord, MK traders, sir, page 158.
Hmm.
My lord, MK traders, my lord, that ITC avail, my lord, it was 21.78.
Hmm.
My lord, ITC passed on 22.65 crore. As per their complete investigation, my lord, this is the demand that what it was. This is, my lord, without giving an opportunity for the accused because he was sent to judicial custody. Now the question, my lord, that as the Lashma kindly determine this with regard to jurisdictional point is concerned, which is totally, my lord, this charge sheet is without jurisdiction. My lord, on this count alone, my lord, that this entire charge sheet or the complaints
That's why
file, my lord,
we'll hear it. Yes.
Lordship, so many things have been told. I will be very specific. Lordship, this is a matter which
Mike.
emanates from the GST proceedings.
Hmm.
Lordship, It was a enforcement action, intelligence action by the DGGI, where we found out that in the entire value chain of the MS scrap dealing, that there was a leakage of revenue of around 500 crores. Now, Lordship, we came.
Page 257.
Please, Lordship. 257. My lords, I would request if my lords were to see page number 158.
Flow chart says everything.
158, Lordship. If my
ಆಯ್ತು
lords,
ಹೇಳಿ 62B ಹೇಳಿ
60, my lords, I'll just come to that. Before that, my lords. There was a raid, there was a search operations under section 67(2) which took place on 10th, around 13 locations. 2 locations when we went for search, the petitioner and his family members, they assaulted us, they hit us, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ತಟ್ಟೆನೂ ಊಟ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಬಿಸಾಕಿದ್ರು, ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು. They took all the evidences with them and they ran away. Now, my lords, we went and filed a police complaint, Nasim Raja police station, with FIR number 161 of 2025 and 162 of 2025, for which the proceedings are pending. Now, later on, Lordship, on 16th September 2025, we got an intimation that the person is in airport and we got him arrested. Now, after that, Lordship, we did the investigation and we have filed the prosecution complaint. Now, my lords, their allegation is about 62B. Now, my lords, if my lords were to come in their own petition, what they have filed, what they mentioned in page number 98, it is only an audit observation by the state government authorities. It is not culminated into a show cause notice. Point number 1. Point number 2. MK Traders, where he is the proprietor of the MK Traders proprietorship, is assigned to central government. Therefore, we alone can initiate any action on him under the audit circumstances, also with regard to enforcement. The action by the state is not an enforcement action. In view of that, Lordship, in fact, onus was on them to have told us that there was an investigation which is pending. They did not tell that. However, as the case may be, now, my lords, I have written a letter to the state government authorities, which my lords I have given at page number, if my lords may kindly peruse on the very same point, my lords, page number 90 of my additional objections. Because I had to follow armor security judgment. Page number 90, my lords. Page 90 of additional submissions, additional objections. Now, my lords, I was constrained to file my PC because it was an arrest. In terms of the CRPC guidelines, I have to file my prosecution complaint. I filed. Now, later on, my lords, page number 90, my lords, if my lords would peruse this, this is a letter which we wrote to the Commissioner of Commercial Taxes, seeking that we have started the enforcement action way before. Therefore, it needs to be transferred. Now, my lords, I have mentioned in para number 2 and 3, if I may just mention for the benefit of the court, so that the opposite also will may understand. Para number 3.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಇದನ್ನ, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ನಾ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Yes.
Now, my lords, para number 3, it has come to our notice that various enforcement actions have been taken by the state justice authorities in respect of certain entities, only certain entities, not these, form part of the DG investigation, MK Traders, UK Traders, AR Steel. Simultaneously, DGC has initiated intelligence-led probe encompassing these same actions as part of notes of the larger fake ITC. Now, let's para number 4 is important. I mentioned armor security. The Honorable Supreme Court in armor security and so has clarified the actions such as search, seizure, summon 70, section 70 or investigative measures do not themselves constitute initiation of proceedings under section 62B. Such proceedings commence only upon issuance of show cause notice. Now, my lords, they have not issued a show cause notice. It is only observations which has been given. It is not even culminated. Now, therefore, my lords, after writing all these things, they transfer the entire file to us in their petition, what they have mentioned in page number 308 of their petition.
Where is the order of cognizance?
Yes.
No, order of cognizance ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ this is Ransom kindly.
No, PCR has been filed. It's to the stage of objection.
Oh, no, cognizance.
No, I'm in the case from the beginning. It's the stage of objection. PCR has been filed and they have filed an objection. They have to come for pre-cognizance hearing in terms of section 223.
Page 83, my lord, is the date of presentation.
No, my lords, page number 308. In terms of my letter seeking for a transfer, they accept, yes, we will not culminate the proceedings into your show cause notice. We will transfer the en masse file of the entire value chain, include the entire value chain they have transferred. And my lords, now they are coming and asking, we will choose who the investigation agency has to be. If state government has transferred everything to us and there is no culmination into a show cause notice proceedings, now I only ask myself a question: how is it that they are so much intrigued asking for a transfer to a particular agency to a particular investigation in a particular way? Well, this is the short point of consideration in this matter, my lords, because I am also covered in the same very judgment, my lords. If my lords were to come to page para number 96, the Supreme Court senior advocate was referring to the council. After considering the council considerations, conclusion has been drawn. Now, my lords, if I read, clause B of section 62B and equivalent state enactments bars initiation of proceedings on this very same subject matter. Any action arising from the audit accounts or detailed scrutiny must be initiated by the tax administration, which the taxpayer is assigned. He is assigned to us. So they could have not even done it. That's our count. Next, my lords, intelligence-based enforcement action can be initiated by the way of one of the central government or the state administrators, despite the taxpayer being assigned to administration. That's not their case because it was an audit-based action. Now, my lords, para number 6. The expression initiation of proceedings occurring in 62B refers to formal commencement of adjudication proceedings by the way of issuance of a show cause notice and does not encompass issue of summons, conduct of search, seizure, etc. It's very much in our case. So therefore, my lords, and what my lords, GST has GST and customs and PMLA. My lords, we have two things. One is prosecution proceedings and one is adjudication proceedings. But adjudication proceedings is yet to go on. This is only a prosecution proceedings. And my lords, Supreme Court in Ashok Kumar versus Commissioner has held prosecution proceedings are entirely different to that of adjudication proceedings. So therefore, my lords, them to ask here saying that I will choose an investigation agency, let it be done by state government when state government themselves have transferred en masse to us.
No, mere transfer will that close jurisdiction?
If that is the case, my lord, then I am guided by the 96 para 6 where it says show cause notice had to be given. Now, admittedly, my lord, show cause notice, and my lords, one major point is, my lords, that person is assigned to us. When he is assigned to us, they do not have the jurisdiction to do it. That is the point. Now, my lords, while we were investigation, my lords, since so many things have been told, I'll take just 2 minutes in this. While investigating, my lords, we came to know that there have been a lot of forgery committed by this very same person. And my lords, I must place on record, I have placed it on record, my lords. If my lords were to come to page number, that's page number, so
objections,
additional objections. Ide court munde, signature bere bere tara maadi, false affidavit file maadi. This is the conduct of the person. Kindly come to no, please. When I'm arguing, please don't interfere, sir. Kindly. When I did not interfere, don't stop my flow. You can do whatever you want later. Now let's page number 97. Now let's this 9/9/2025 letter was given backdated after 10/10/2025 when we went for a raid. Now let's kindly have a look at this, my lords. Page number 98. Now let's page number 99. Before this court, my lords. Let's affidavit, my lords, page number 109. My lords, kindly see the signature of the accused. Now let's page number 107. Kindly see the signature of the accused. Now let's kindly come to page number.
Idella scrutiny madbeka.
We'll
answer on merit.
Page number 7. Now my lords, I am seeking for an investigation in this regard also in that case. No, my lords.
That's a separate cause
no,
of
lords,
action.
their allegation is that, my lords, when they don't have a case, they come and say, no, allegation has been made against an officer for having taken, you give a complaint, that is a different proceedings which I do not want to get into. If so be it. But then from the merits of the point of view, from this point of view, my lords, we have done the investigation. Everything is in order. State government is in consonance with us. Only on 6-2B I am arguing because it's covered. That's all. My submission is to that extent only.
Page 124, my lord. Show cause notice is issued.
By the state?
Yes.
Page
124, your lord. Observation and 122 penalty clause they adopted.
1 minute.
122 penalty clause they have adopted it. It starts from 98, your lordship, that already I.
Show cause notice ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
In their copy.
Yes, yes, my lord,
98 show cause notice ಅದು?
yes, yes, 122, my lord, penalty class. And page, kindly go to page 124, my lord. Last line, my lord, it is very clear.
You are
that-
hereby called upon to show cause as
show
to
cause
why
as to
tax.
what is under
and-
122 and all should not be resorted to.
Lordship, I will clear.
This is show cause notice as per the state.
Penalty proceedings under section 122.
It's different from 74 proceedings, my lords.
My lord, they
74
concluded
is
it
the
is a
value.
penalty class. They did not go to the stage of finding that this man is guilty for 132. As per the state GST authorities, my lord, they asked him to pay the penalty as
They have
per.
transferred in between. We have not gone there, we transferred because complaint was filed.
No, show cause notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Page number
That's not for
98.
74.
No, Lords, page number 98, it says observations only.
No, that 122 also,
Show cause
section
notice.
67 and
It's not show cause
122 also. They concluded it. They called upon him to pay the penalty.
Yes, well considered.
This is, my lord, this, the investigation was parallel. Kindly, my lord, one page it is. My lord, investigation records, my lord, it discloses, my lord, the investigation, what it was at page 308, my lord.
Hmm.
The 308, my lord, the transferred, the details of the cases transferred to the investigation officer who was handling the case is as below. Investigation, my lord, these 3-4 officers, my lord, they were investigating this matter. Investigation was pending before them, right from 17/6, and they suddenly ingress to it. And without taking over, my lord, they filed a complaint. My lord, variation, your lordship may kindly see. 2.2.
We'll answer 6-2B.
Yes, 6-2B, your lordship may kindly.
Once one submission.
Heard the learned senior counsel Hasmat Pasha appearing for the petitioner and the learned counsel Madhu N. Rao representing the respondent and learned additional SPP. Heard reserved, yes.
So one submission there, the judgment, my lords, it doesn't have that one page is not there. So I'll just produce this page.
ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Para 62 is
Para
there.
6. No,
ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾವುದು? ಆಮ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ಸ್.
subject matter ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂತದ್ದು.
ಆಮ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ.
Same, my lords, because it is another similar case which is coming before.
Yes.
This is a coordinate bench, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
Yes, yes.
6-2B.
6-2B, my lord, parallel investigation.
My lord, that is after this month. This is old matter.
The law is same, my lord.
No, Supreme
All
Court has
different high
overruled it.
courts have adopted same.
How can it be same?
Yes.
This is pre-armor.
Armor came in.
The armor also, my lord, the same principle of law is.
Yes, sir.
Please.
28.
ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ನೀವಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ has not taken cognizance. So all these things can be raised only after taking cognizance.
No, it is only WLOR is registered.
You look at the cognizance order itself, my lord.
Page. Cognizance ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
Page 44. Sorry, not 44, my lord.
First one I've challenged only the WLO.
ನಿಮ್ದು WLOR ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಸಚಿನ್ you cognizance.
Private company.
Private.
No WLO. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ cognizance has not been taken.
ಅಲ್ಲ, both of them say it is covered by what I have written.
Yes. I have, if the court takes a cognizance, your lordship judgment is.
ಈಗ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ cognizance ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, further investigation order ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
That's okay.
My lords has said that there is no provision for further investigation.
No, your lordship is.
Further investigation to a different investigating agency. Otherwise further investigation power.
No, my lords, have a look at the.
Further investigation power ಇದೆ ಇದೆ.
No, my lords, have a look at
To
the.
a different investigating agency, yes.
Even if your lordship said investigation is impermissible, once cognizance has been taken.
For ಆಮೇಲೆ cognizance ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ.
Correct.
My lords has taken a view that once a complaint is filed in the court, there is no provision for further investigation or submission of supplementary complaints in the case. Next, my lords.
Complaint ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is cognizance take the crime registered, charge sheet is called a complaint in forest parlance.
Yes, now
Like
you-
the ED parlance.
Here, what the case was that, my lords, there was no investigation. Straight away, they filed a private complaint.
Cognizance ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ?
Cognizance is not yet taken.
ಇಬ್ರು ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ in case of need.
My lords, just.
Well, reserve liberty, you come after cognizance.
My lords, kindly have a look at the page number 57.
Since in the Sachin's case, my lord, we did file a complaint. According to me, it is not correct. But rightly, court has not taken cognizance. Court has said that conduct a further investigation. We are investigating. We'll file a fresh complaint.
Different person. My lords, kindly see investigation. My lords, the order passed by the page 13.
Yeah, what's the offense?
Lords, offense is under section.
Killed a gar and
Killed the?
gar. my lord.
What?
Indian bison gar. In bison.
My lords, have a look at the.
Sambar.
page 13.
Wild sambar.
That's mine is sambar.
Orderly
It's
bison.
gar.
Bison.
Page 13, my lords, have a look at page 13. The court has directed Assistant Conservator of Forest, Subramania Subdivision, Sulya, directed to conduct the investigation limited to the scope of said provision and submit a report to this court within time stipulated. My lords, the complaint, my
No, in
lords,
case cognizance is taken, you come back.
No,
We'll
my-
keep all the contentions open.
my lord, just a draw, my lords. Just kindly see page number. My lords has called out what are the procedure to be followed. My lords, at page number 57. Chapter 6, which is the aforequoted clause, would come into deal with investigation and complaint. Investigation into wildlife crime and the manner of investigation is stipulated. The subclause 2(7) thereof deals with complaints filed under section 55 of the Act. Clause 6.45 deals with filing of the complaint under section 55 of the Act by competent officer. Who is competent is also deposited. Complaint filed under section 55 of the Act has to be treated as a complaint filed by the public servant in discharge of
We'll
his
see, we'll take it
official
on 24th.
They can come back after taking cognizance.
Alla, 24th will pass the order. 24th fresh matters. I vote till then. ನಮ್ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಬ. Yes.
Can I just pass on a report? It could be.
ನೋಟ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
29.
Good. Interim order be
Yes.
interim order be extended.
Wilson Garden.
Correct.
Coca.
Yes, ma'am. Coca is gone. Coca is not exist.
The question is, my lord, on what ground it has to be set aside? No, at the time of invocation of COCA, the reason for invocation was that on the ground that there were multiple other charge sheets pending against me. On that ground, my lord, COCA has to go.
So you mean to say individually it has to be
Individually it
set
has to be
aside,
set aside,
not collectively?
Yes. That's
That's not correct.
The answer.
Kavita Lankesh has been clarified and said it's against an offense, not against an offender.
We'll see.
Once it
Both.
goes, it goes. Please.
Heard reserved. Yes.
Great. But the trial court should have sent it back to the regular court. That's
That should have happened.
that should have
Yes.
happened.
We'll now do it. Yes.
Yes. Great.
Yes. Next.
30.
But there is no proceeds of the crime. No money or property is seized.
No proceeds of crime.
No proceeds of the crime. Kindly have a look at the allegation, my lord, page 236.
30?
236 page number. 12.16 para.
236.
This is exactly ABCD. Nothing is seized from him. He
Role
is
of
not-
accused A16. ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
He is
ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಇವನ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇವನ್ ಹೌ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್?
12.16 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಮರೇಗೌಡ.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದೇ ತಾನೆ?
ಹೌದು.
accused number 16.
Yes. It is further mentioned that
ಅಲ್ಲ, when confronted with this it is further mentioned that 30% commission,
which is also part
which
of
is
the
also
proceeds of-
part of the proceeds of crime,
Yes, please.
is still lying with Maregowda and others.
Yes,
Investigation in this regard is also under progress.
Progress.
In that view, so and so had knowingly assisted the persons layering and concealment of the proceeds of crime, as well as projecting the same to be untainted.
And under investigation, they have not found anything with me. I am not accused in the predicate offense. My lord,
One need not be.
Helping for predicate offense is something else.
ಅಲ್ಲ 120B ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ 120B
ಇಲ್ಲ predicate ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Predicate ಅಲ್ಲಿ he is not an accused.
120B ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 120B ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 120B ಇದೆ. At least to say that, my lord, I have committed an offense under section 3 PMLA, I should be connected to the proceeds of the crime. What is the crime to which I am connected? At least to that minimum allegation has to be there in the complaint. ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇವರು 30% ಕಮಿಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ?
ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
Regard to other things,
other things ಅಂದ್ರೆ
page number 178. But there are statements which are taken under section 50 of the PMLA.
All right.
Admittedly, they are admissible in evidence as of.
Correct.
No, my lords, there are statements of the co-accused and also accused saying that I am a part of this conspiracy. I have taken money, everything. They have not retracted it.
What's the allegation?
No, my lords, the main allegation is, my lords, to my knowledge, my lords, this A1 was involved in impersonation and taking the benefit of the income tax refund of some other persons, and that has been transferred to persons, and that cash has been given to this person.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ?
ಇವ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ನ ಇವರು ವಿತರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿರೋದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
No, my lords, they have drawn the money and money has been given in terms of cash, and this person is involved in this. That's 30% commission ಇವನಿಗೆ. And he has accepted it under section 50. It's not our statement, my lords. They have not retracted it. They have not countered it.
Allah.
As long as that stays, lordship, then
file your objections. Yes. List on heard the learned counsel R. Nagendra Naik appearing for the petitioner. The list the matter 29th beda 30th Rajana madam. List the matter on 7th April in the fresh matters list. Yes. Objections, if any, by then. Yes, next.
31.
Lord, page 92, my lord, is the page 92 is the postmortem report. Cause of death, my lord, is not even suicide.
Heart attack.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕುಡಿದು ಸತ್ತೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕುಡಿದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
My lord, page 92. No other poison was detected in the
postmortem report. Color test on portion of small and non-contest.
Ethyl alcohol.
Portion of liver and none. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ alcohol ಅಂತ?
ಅಲ್ಲ last ethyl alcohol. No other poison was detected.
The deceased had consumed ethyl alcohol prior to
ethyl
his
alcohol,
death.
my lord, is
ethyl ಅಂದ್ರೆ rectified spirit.
spirit ಎಲ್ಲ whiskey ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Whiskey?
Whiskey drinks ಅಲ್ಲ. And my lord, the accused number 1, who's a girl.
Who died?
My lord, he is a 32-year-old man who was a tenant in the house of A2 and 3. Allegation is that, my lord, A1 had an affair, who is 18 years old, and to her studies to take part in the NEET exam, he had paid some money. So they say that, my lord, because of that, and she broke up with the relationship with him. Therefore, my lord, he has expired.
There was an extortion also nearly 20 lakhs, my lordship.
Extortion? ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
18-year-old girl who's a
A1
12th standard student at that time of the incident.
ಅವಾಗಲೇ extortion?
Anta, that is what they say. He says that I have given the money for her NEET examination. Anta avanu heltane. First, my lord, whether it is a suicide or not is the question, my lord, by looking into the death.
In the charge sheet, it is clearly mentioned, my lordship. All the three has tortured them and extorted nearly 25 lakhs. And then they said, you are going to be fit in some other case. Because of that only, he has committed the suicide, my lord.
Suicide, ethyl alcohol. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
It was decomposed body.
Decomposed. Body was found in the decomposed state. So it could not be found out by external injuries or anything. It could not be found. Only in the stomach they found little bit ethyl alcohol.
How does it become
But
abetment?
that won't be the conclusion, my lordship.
How does it become abetment?
So abatement is.
306 is the offense, right?
Please, my lordship.
Ah.
With respect to that they are going to fix in some other case.
Yeah.
They have threatened him and they have extorted nearly 25
Death
lakhs.
note idea?
Death note, my lord, he had tried to commit a suicide 1 month earlier. Aga death note bardida. Death note, what he says is, I have given the money. It is not that, my lord, we have threatened. I had given him 19 lakhs for future studies because she had just completed her.
Where is the death note?
My lord, death note, my lord, it cannot call be annexure G, my lord.
Page
41. India little, the English translate is not.
41 na.
Page 41. 150, I'm sorry, my lord, 150, 150. Page 150. My lord, this was on 1/4/2025. He says he had a relationship with the ranch once.
This is what date?
My lord, is on
1/4/25. What is the date of death?
My lord, 28/4, my lord.
Time notice.
Yes, sir. Accused number 1, after taking money,
Yes, ma'am.
you have avoided to see him eye to eye. Adhikya, he has committed suicide.
Allah, it is not, my lord. He says in his death, so-called note. Which
You can't ghost someone like that.
My lord, it is not, my lord, suicide. Firstly, my lord, to have abetment of to commit suicide, my lord, the post-mortem report clearly says, my lord, it is not suicide.
No, it
When
says
that is the
also-
case, my lord, first they'll have to satisfy it is a suicide. Then the question of abetment will come.
No, it's not suicide, then we'll try and see 302 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ
Charge
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
sheet ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ.
ಅದೇನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ಡೆತ್ ನೋಟ್ ಸೇಸ್ my lord, there are
that is
evidence
not a
available in
death
his
note.
mobile phone.
That is not a death note, my lord.
No,
And
whatever.
my lord, your lordship kindly see the age, my lord. He's
have
the
completely broken. I
second
have some
PUC
evidence
student.
too.
He's a 32-year-old man.
ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
And my lord, just because she said.
What is age got to do with relationship, sir?
I have some evidence of so and so in my mobile phone. I have locked my mobile phone. I have sent it to my father. My father's mobile phone has been opened before them. These
He
are
was
the
my lord
persons
on one.
responsible for
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ,
my death.
you have taken money and later ghosted him ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
My lord, let us say, my lord, if you have done that also, then also, my lord, it will not amount to abetment, my lord, is my humble submission. My lord, my lord,
In what?
Advinder Singh case, my lord, the Supreme Court has said that, my lord, the entire, your lordship may kindly turn to the judgment, my lord.
Heard the learned counsel Bipin Hegde appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is now facing charges for abetment of suicide. The petitioners are accused 1, 2, and 3. The son of the complainant commits suicide, leaves behind a death note or a note on 1/4/2025, but the date of commission of suicide is 28/4/2025. The note depicts that the accused number 1, a student of 12th standard, is said to have had an affair with the complainant's son, and during the said affair, certain transaction has taken place to the tune of 25 lakhs, which is the the complainant son's contribution to the examination or education of the accused number 1. Accused number 1 after all this is said to have, WhatsApp ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, said to have seen zoned the complainant's son. The complainant's son is said to have got frustrated with this, and after about 4 weeks of the said writing, dies. The allegation is it is death by suicide. The postmortem report depicts that excess ethyl alcohol was found in the body of the complainant's son. Therefore, the death could be due to excess consumption of alcohol even. In the light of the said circumstance, there is no proximity to the incident that has happened, as the note is on 1/4/2025 and the death is on, the alleged date of suicide is on 28/4/2025. The issue stands 2025. Therefore, prima facie, further proceedings, if permitted to continue against this petitioner, would become an abuse, would fall foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Yadavinder Singh, 2025 SSC Online, SC page 2332. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, qua the petitioners till the next date of hearing. One additional SPP, 2 emergent notice returnable by the 17th of April, list on 17th April. ತಗೊಂಬೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಮುಗಿತಾ ಇದು, ಇದನ್ನು ಕರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಒಂದು ಅದು.
Okay, for petition in this case, my lord. Petitioners are as accused number 1 to 3, my lord.
ಒಬ್ರೇ 1 to 3 ನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, petitioners are
Petitioners.
Offense 140 subclass 2 and 351 and 3 subclass 5 of the BNS, my lord. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ facts, my lord, page number 41, my lord. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ accused number 1, ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಬಂತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಲಾಭದಾಸೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಸುಮಾರು 12,50,00,000 ಹಣನ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಂದ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 8,50,000 ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಹಣ ಕೊಡದೆ ಅವರು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಪ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನೇಕಲ್ ಜುರಿಸ್ಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ ಇರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆತನ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೈವೇ ಸುತ್ತಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಣ ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು ಯಾರು ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಇದಾನೋ ಅವ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್
ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು
364A.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಡ್ಸಾಕ್ತಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 200 CR ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
364A is kidnapping for ransom, punishment for life.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಅದೇ ತರ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆನ್ ಮನಿ ಪವರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಲರ್ನೆಡ್ ಏನದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. Look into it and tell me, Jagdish. List the matter on 25th. Yes. Fresh matters. Next.
33.
PM. Source report.
Venkateshwar Bhatti kudi. Learned Council.
Not your lordships have already
Prasanna Shetty
issued.
agidiyalla. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ? Registry to print the name of K. Prasanna Shetty as appearing for the respondent Lokayukta.
Can I just persuade you one moment, Marat? This source report, Marat. That source report, your lordships will find at page 48, 49, Marat. Marat, it says the check period is 19/2003 to 15/9.
Let him come.
Marat, just one moment.
Without hearing him, I will not.
I'll just persuade you, just for one sentence. Marat, I was appointed in 2017 under the backlog engineers pursuant to the judgment of Supreme Court, Marat. Check period is taken from 2003, Manas. Page 49.
Page
49, Manas.
Present. Copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Acknowledgement. I'll serve a copy. That's not. Very good.
Let him see.
Only thing is, my lord, 2003 in the check period.
See, the only ground, if what he is saying is correct, 2017 appoint ಆದ್ರೆ 2003 ಚೆಕ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ? ಅನ್ಚೆಕ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಚೆಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಏನು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಫಾರ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
2003 ಇಂದ 2017 ವರೆಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನೇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾರೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಏನಾರು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಾಯ್. What instructions? What's happening now?
Produce the appointment order also, my lord. Appointment
As-
order is at
as
page
simple as this.
43.
2017 appointment, 2003 in the ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್?
Seniority is given from that day, my lord. Backlog engineer. Supreme Court gave us seniority.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ disproportionate assets ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನಾ?
Just now I received the copy. I'll make my submission next week, not any date.
Again, ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ?
Investigation is going on.
Don't investigate till then.
By Monday or Tuesday, I'll make.
No, list the matter on 24th in the fresh matters list.
Please.
The respondent shall not precipitate the matter till the matter is heard. Yes. Next.
34.
Sorry, my lord, my name is not shown. my lord.
Registry to print the name of K. Prasanna Shetty is appearing for the respondent Lokayukta.
Service of notice to respond number 2 is.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent.
35.
I appear for petitioner. My lord, the arguing counsel is before apex court. Weak accommodation.
Arguing counsel before apex court. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ?
Apologies, my lord, maybe it's in the next week, my lord, kindly.
Notice challenge ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
Please, my lord, 35
Place some of the interesting records. of
ಕೊಡಿ
this
ಕೊಡಿ.
case. This is probably the similar case where senior counsel was arguing. This is again GST frauds, all GST frauds. And just because we issue a notice, the petitioner threatens our officers, saying that I'll
ಏನು
go to
ಹೊಸದು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು?
It becomes a new trend, my lord.
How
I'll go
are,
to CBI, I'll go to that, and I'll go to this.
And why have you not you registered crimes against them?
We have registered FIR.
Officers performing public duty are threatened and beaten. What?
In fact, Lord should
Where
see
are we
that
heading?
The letter, my lord, is virtually threatening officers.
Next week, my lord, kindly.
List the matter on 25th in the fresh matters list.
Great. 36 as well.
Huh?
36 as well.
36 also, same. Yes, next.
7 and 38.
ನೆನ್ನೆದು, yes, same order. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
And clarification, my lords, I think there was an impression that the proclamation order was challenged. Actually, I've sought for quashing of the entire proceedings. That
Proclamation quash ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes.
I'm great.
Same order will pass.
Great.
I know you have challenged the entire proceedings. Yes. 39.
39.
Without taking cognizance.
Without taking.
MMDR.
No, not
Then?
MMDR. 138, your lordships.
Page.
Page number.
Charge frame ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No, your lordships.
2016 CC, madam.
Yes, your lordships.
It is too late in the day for you to submit that cognizance is not taken.
Page 42.
NBW ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೀಗ?
Yes, your lordship. Page
ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ. Yes.
42 may be kindly looked into.
Yes.
Page 42, your lordships. Original PCR 15 of 2019 is pending. Towards the right, your lordships. Office is hereby warned not to take the steps as such. Because cognizance is taken by the office people. The learned magistrate only warns them, and in future, certain next page in future, certain same CCs shall not be taken. That's all. Cognizance is taken, your lordships.
At the 11th point in time in the branch to rush of work have lost sight and directly assigned CC number before ordering of taking of cognizance. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಇವರು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Entire order sheet I have produced. Milord, in fact, just may I take 2 minutes, Milord. 2 checks were given.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
Please out.
Yes.
Warning is given, your lordships. After that, this is only treated as the copy. Next page it is there.
No, is there any proceeding drawn by the magistrate taking cognizance altogether?
No, your lordships. It's written next page.
Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. The petitioners are accused 1 and 2. The alleged offences are the ones punishable under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. The concerned court has not taken cognizance in a manner known to law, but the registry of the concerned court appears to have taken cognizance, which is condoned by the concerned court without any order or fresh taking of cognizance. The entire order sheet is appended to the petition. The relevant portion of the order reads as follows, page 42. In the light of no cognizance being taken and the cognizance taken by the registry and not by the court is being proceeded against, there shall be an interim order of stay of all further proceedings qua the petitioners till the next date of hearing. The petitioner shall serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings and file an acknowledgement of such service before the court on or before the 16th of March. List the matter on 24th in the fresh matters list.
Section 417, 420, not 438.
417.
417, 420.
138, 417, 420.
Please.
Yes.
In charge court matter. List number 3, civil number 1, should we know then?
Bail matters.
Bail matter. You know then?
My lordship, 483, my lordship.
Huh?
483. The petitioner is the sole accused. My lordship, the fact of the case, my lordship, the
Offense ಏನು?
302 and 304B and 498A read with 4 of the DP Act, my lordship. My lordship, the allegation against the petitioner, my lordship, the deceased is the daughter-in-law and grandchildren, 2 grandchildren's, my lordship.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಯಾರು ಸತ್ತಿದ್ದು?
And daughter-in-law and 2 grandchildren's, my lordship.
All of them died?
Yes, my lordship.
Suicide or murder?
Suicide, my lordship.
302 ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
But the investigation officer evoked the provision, my lordship, 302. Kindly, page number 48, my lordship.
Investigation is complete?
Yes, my lords.
Huh?
Investigation is completed and they filed a charge sheet, my lords.
When?
Lords. On 6/1/2026.
Regular court ಕೇಳಿ.
Oh, my lordship.
There is serious allegation against the petitioner here in my lords.
302 lil.
But there is no kindly see, my death note ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Kindly page number, my lordship.
Page
38, my lordship. Para 7, my lordship. ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಬಿಡು, ನನ್ನ ನೀನು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀಯ. 4th line, my lordship.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ 302 ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ?
302 ಇದೆ. ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಸೊಸೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಕೆ ಸುಯಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾಳೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಬೈ ದ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್. ಟ್ವಿನ್ ಬೇಬೀಸ್, ಇಬ್ರು ಮೈನರ್.
The allegation, my lordship, the 5 years back or 9 lakh na dowry demand ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದು, my lordship.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ. We are hearing bail matter.
The gravity of the offense and the nature and the conduct of the petitioner hearing, my lords, very.
ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರಲಿ. ಎಸ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಮಂಡೇ, my lordship.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಮಂಡೇ? ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
My humble request, Monday, my lordship.
Dates has given Monday.
ಮಂಡೇ ತಗೋ. ಎಸ್, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ 16th. ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ ಏನದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, my lordship.
Orders, yes.
Bill number 2, Suyog hearing.
ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತನಾ?
Yes, my lord, that matter where, my lord, yesterday they, my lord, supposed to file objection. They took time till today. And the court said, my lord, no coercive action orally. But my lord, this is a matter where, my lord, there is no demand, there is no acceptance, there is no, my lord, recovery. Or, my lord, work pending. There is no finapthalin test. This matter, my lord, we have challenged it under 482 also.
You are in custody?
No, my lord, interim bail was granted when initially arrested. Then in charge court released me on bail. But after that, prosecution files a, my lord, application for cancellation of interim bail. And also, my lord, they filed objection to the main bail petition. My lord, my interim bail application, my lord, they have sought for cancellation. That has been allowed. My bail application was dismissed. Against, my lord, now we have also filed, my lord, the stay application in this matter. Court yesterday, my lord, directed us to file stay application. Lord, there is an order which is in the nature of a appeal order or a revisional order. in charge court grants bail, my lord, interim bail. That has been cancelled by the regular court, making observation that, my lord, the in charge court is not justified in granting bail.
Lord, here the
Cannot sit in appeal
maintainability
and
of the
pass that
petition,
order.
Lord. There is an order from the trial court to surrender before the court. Without surrendering before the court, Lord, he has filed a 439 application.
39
Lord,
pension.
7A.
7A.
He is a PSI, Lord. There is an order to surrender before the court. Interim bail was granted when he was produced before the court. And court has directed him to present on the court, before the court. And while thereafter we file an application for the ex parte interim order was granted initially.
Interim bail ex parte.
Yes. Then, Lord, we file an application for cancellation of the interim bail.
Hmm.
Then, Lord, the main application was also heard along with the interim, that application.
Hmm.
And finally, the Lord, the court
Bail was granted.
Bail was rejected.
The regular bail is rejected.
Rejected, and our application
Interim bail is
also
cancelled.
Yes. Then, Lord, the court has directed him to surrender. Virtually, Lord, by virtue of the production, he has to surrender. Being a police inspector, Lord, he did not surrender. From the day, Lord, he is absconding. Now they filed an application under 483 is the regular bail when he is in custody. He is nowhere in custody, either in the police or in the court. He is absconding. He cannot take a discretionary order.
Lord, he was not well, my lord. He was taking treatment, my lord. Either I can, my lord, keep him present, my lord. That is not an issue.
No,
Lord,
Lord.
I am in the constructive custody of the court, my lord. That's what the Supreme Court also said. Lord, whenever, my lord,
Where
because,
constructive custody of which court, sir?
Lord, the trial court, because, my lord, my bond is there, my lord. My surety is also there, my lord. That has not been
But problem
cancelled.
is you are not there.
Lord, I will appear before your lordship even right now, my lord, if my protection is granted. Lord, they are trying to, my lord,
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
arrest
ಇಲ್ಲೇ
me.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದಾರಾ?
ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. We can come and, my lord, appear before the court.
Hmm.
But now they want to harass and humiliate me, my lord. That is what their intention. Lord, this is a peculiar
7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ
case.
ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು?
Please,
Lord, there is,
7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು?
ಇವರಿಂದ ರಿಕವರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Lord, there is a
test ಇಲ್ಲ.
specific allegation that conversation in which
Panchanama
he had
drawn in
demanded.
police-
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್.
Please.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನು ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
Trap Panchanama drawn in police station.
ಮರ್ಡರ್.
Lord, detail order has been passed.
Our
The
detail
final
order, sir.
order has been passed.
Interim bail is cancelled.
Yes, and
And-
final order is also passed.
ಆಯ್ತು, regular bail is cancelled. Cancelled on what? Regular bail is rejected. Interim bail is cancelled on what ground?
Lord,
Yes, sir.
the
It's
order has
like a
been
revisional
passed.
court.
Lord, being a police, the inspector, he has demanded for the
He has
filing
not
of B
demanded.
report,
There is
B
no
report.
demand at all.
And
That is on the merit of the matter.
yes,
Not a problem. Now, interim bail was granted. How can the other in charge court ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
how?
ಅದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು?
Appellate.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು?
Lord,
Who should tell that?
main order has been passed.
Sir, interim bail ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು in charge court ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು?
Appellate. Here, Lord, the main order has been passed. There is no separate
sir,
order has
I-
not been passed.
No.
Cancellation of the interim
Regular
bail.
bail is rejected.
Yes,
What happened to the interim bail?
Interim was the separate order has not passed. It is culminated in the same order. Separate order ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Operative portion ಅಲ್ಲಿ cancelled ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Cancelled ಅಂತ
And
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
in the
separate
it
order
says,
pass
my lord,
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
The in charge court has not assigned reasons ಅಂತ. Like, my lord, revisional court or appellate
ಕೊಡಿ,
court.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Where is the order?
Page 20, along with the memo we have produced.
13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ as a matter of course bail will be granted, sir. As far as I have known, I'm not
Yes,
said,
my lord.
I'm not sat for bail, but those are matters of course. Public servant ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ?
But the conduct of the
ಅರೆ,
accused.
what conduct, sir?
Lord, even though there was an order to keep the
Keep
present before
surrender,
the
ಈಗ I
court,
will get him here. You will be satisfied?
The suspension is also recorded now.
Lord, the maintainability,
I can understand,
even
my
I
lord,
am
if
assuming,
there is recovery,
I am agreeing, Lord, if he
acceptance,
is
demand,
surrendered,
nothing.
Problem
then
is,
side seeking a
bail,
regular bail, Lord.
406, 420, recovery of money ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಕೇಸು, promise to marry, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ and bail refused by the concerned courts.
The recent judgment of the Supreme Court, Satyendra Kumar until, where all offences were 7 years below, if custody is otherwise not required,
No,
they
this-
should be enlarged
Sir,
on bail. That is the principle.
7A, 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ,
ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? 7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟೈಟಲ್ ಟು ಬೇಲ್. ಏನ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು 20 ವರ್ಷನಾ?
7 years.
ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್?
Lord,
His conduct is a different thing. It's not a problem. But he is entitled to bail, sir.
There is an order to surrender also.
That's all right, he's entitled to bail.
Lord, let him surrender before.
What
the
let him
trial.
surrender?
I will.
Regular bail reject ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ.
And thereafter.
Now ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ custody where are you now?
But
We'll
my
pass an order of anticipatory bail now.
Please, my lord. I'll keep myself present on the next date of hearing before the court or today itself. Your lordship may pass over. Let them not take any coercive action, my lord. I will present
Coercive
myself.
action ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದನಲ್ಲ already. No, that's a
Kindly
different
see
thing.
the order sheet.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
I'll
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
make out the Lord from the order sheet.
Same, my lord.
The conduct, my
Let
Lord.
them not arrest me, my lord. I will keep myself present on the next date of hearing.
There is an order, my Lord,
I will be in the
specifically
custody
to
of the
keep
court.
him
I will
present
have to
to the
observe
court.
about this court which has acted as an appellate court.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll point out from the order sheet. Kindly see my statement of.
ಏನ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಜರು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್?
That is there, not
Trap
mine.
measure done in police station. That is also there.
ಓ ಇದೇ ಕೇಸ್
ಇದೇ case.
No, it is not in the police station, my Lord. What is
That
happened
itself
is,
shows.
while arresting the accused, my Lord, the
Trap
Mahazar
measure.
was drawn partially at the spot. Then, my Lord, the public were gathered at the place. Then the
Page 58.
police inspector is the local inspector. The public were gathered and started
Popular
some noise.
man, huh?
And yes, my Lord.
Oh.
There, my Lord, the conduct also reflects in the order sheet,
Singham
wherein
style.
the trial judge has observed that the conduct of the accused also in the order sheet. I'll pass on the order sheet.
Sir, kindly see page 58 for a moment, my lord. Arja DYSP office ಅಲ್ಲಿ, Arja Lokayukta office ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
No, bail is entitled. Yes.
I'll pass on
No,
the statement
no, sir.
of.
What is all this?
Page 58. Kindly see.
There is maintainability of the 482. 483 is not, if he's in custody, he's not there in the custody, either in the police custody or the judicial custody.
ಆಯ್ತು, we'll take it as 482. Yes.
It's filed under 483.
The file stay application of the impugned order, my
Will
lord,
not
of the
decide.
trial court, where the cancellation has
He's not
Your
a
lordship
layman,
may say.
Lord. He is
Sir,
inspector.
ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದವ್ರನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವ್ 7 ವರ್ಷದ ಕೆಳಗಿರೋರ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಲ್ಲ.
I'll pass
Bail
on
is
the
a
order
matter of
sheet.
course in these things. Yes, Jagdish sir.
Only issue that when court directed him to be present,
That's
it is
the only-
obligation of him
No, I will,
present.
I will, my
That
lord, even
my
now,
lord,
my
your
lord, your
lordship
lordship
has
may
to-
protect my interest. I will come before your lordship and present myself.
He should have
I'm in
been-
the
he
constructive
should have
custody of the
respected the
court.
court order.
That's what the Supreme Court.
ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, constructive, not
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Should have respected the court order. That's
And my surety and bail.
Why did you not come? ಏನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂತ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸಿಂಗಂ
Next day ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲೂವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಬಂದಾಗ
ಸಿಂಗಂ
ಅವ್ರು
4
move-
ಇದು.
And his
Memo
bail
for
was-
posting ಗೆ oppose ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. And they opposed for posting. We moved for end of the list. They opposed. My lord, then court said, my lord, day after tomorrow. Then
His
yesterday
bail-
matter came. They
Bail
took
bonds
time
are
till
also
today.
cancelled. Even after the order, my Lord, bail
All
bonds
right,
are also
we'll
cancelled.
post it before the regular court. You appear before the regular
Will
court.
appear, my
You will
lord.
not
My-
be
my-
arrested. Regular court will pass the order.
My lord, then my lord, the interim bail that may be
Interim,
extended. what has been-
I will restore the interim bail.
Very well. I have filed application for stay
ತಾವು
of the
ಯಾರು?
order.
My lord, I am for the complainant before the.
ಬೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
I am filing 301 application
ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್?
for supporting.
ಅಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
Rowdy sheet.
ಬೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಜೂರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಷನ್, ಹೊಸ ಜೂರಿಸ್ಪ್ರುಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ 301 to assist the prosecution. Where are we heading, sir?
Complainant is a rowdy sheeter, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು
I
ಇರ್ಲಿ.
opened rowdy sheet.
No,
I
no,
recommended rowdy sheet.
ಯಾರು
that is-
ಇರ್ಲಿ. What is your locus to come here, sir? ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ. ಲತೀಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೆಂಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಲತೀಫ್.
Absolutely.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿರಿ.
I filed stay
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
application.
ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. There is more than what meets the eye in this. We'll tackle it in that petition. The petitioner,
I'll file my objections may be taken.
The learned counsel for the respondent Lokayukta files a statement of objections.
Statement and 3 objection to the other 2
Statement of objection, same is taken on record. The learned counsel for the learned senior counsel Arun Shyam seeks a day's accommodation to go through the objections and make his submissions. The petitioner is alleged of offence punishable under section 7A of the Prevention of Corruption Act. The issue in the list is not with regard to the merit of the matter. The concerned court grants an interim bail. The in-charge court hearing the bail applications for the day as the regular court was on recess. The in-charge court grants the petitioner interim bail. The interim bail was subject to one condition, that he shall appear before the concerned court on on which day?
The 2 weeks interim bail was.
2 weeks interim bail was granted and was directed that the petitioner should appear before the,
Appeared on 7th also, my lord.
appear before, on what date, sir? On what date?
On 7th, I appeared, my presence was.
Appear
noted.
before the court on
Even appeared
7/3,
before the-
7/3/2026.
Even before IU, I appeared on 7th.
The learned senior counsel submits that the petitioner appeared before the investigating officer on the 7th as well. 7th, on the 7th. The prosecution files an application seeking cancellation of bail, cancellation of interim bail. The concerned court takes up two proceedings together. One, grant of regular, the application seeking regular bail and the application of the prosecution seeking cancellation of bail, and passes a composite order rejecting regular bail and cancelling interim bail. The order, the order?
But along with the memo, I produced.
Memo they had produced.
A perusal at the order would prima facie indicate that the concerned court has by the impugned order acted as an appellate authority or revisional court beyond a revisional court to the order passed by the in-charge court, while both the jurisdictions are similar. Both the concerned courts are courts of session. What had to be done by the appellate court is done by the court of session itself. However, the act of the petitioner that he has not appeared before the concerned court cannot ease sans countenance albeit prima facie. Therefore, the petitioner shall appear before the will post it on 16th.
Please,
Shall appear before the regular court on Monday, the 16th, list on Monday in the fresh matters list. Till such time, the petitioner shall not, no arrest or otherwise of the petitioner shall be undertaken by the respondent till the next date.
Grateful.
ಅದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಈಗಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. This is too much. On merits we'll see. 7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಲ್ಗೆ 7A 354A ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, next.
Petitioner is arraigned as accused number 5.
Offense.
NDPS 20B and 22A. Accused number 5, my lord, happens to be a lawyer. Now, what has happened, my lord, on the information given, accused number 1 is. Accused number 1, my lord, was apprehended on the belief that, my lord, he is selling drugs on the street. On statement of accused number 1, accused number 2, 3, 4 have been taken into custody. On the statement of accused number 2, my lord, now I have been sought to be roped in. Accused number 5, my lord, happens to be a lawyer practicing in Hubli. In fact, my lord, he had appeared for the accused number 2 in the concerned court. Alli court alli plead guilty ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ for an earlier offense. Now, in that background, my lord, I'm seeking an anticipatory bail. The grievance is this: accused number 1, 2, 3, and 4 have been granted bail.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1, 2, 3, 4 ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೊಡಿ. The petitioner, a practicing advocate, is at the doors of the court seeking grant of anticipatory bail on the said application being turned down by the concerned court in terms of its order dated 18th February 2026. The petitioner The petitioner gets embroiled in a crime number 41 of 2026 for the offense is punishable under FIR lide nodi. So and so. The petitioner is accused number 5. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, Shiva Prasad Shantan Gowder, taking this court through the documents appended to the petition, would prima facie seek to demonstrate that the petitioner has been roped in as accused only on the voluntary statement of accused number 1 to 4. Or 1 matrana.
Accused number 2.
Accused number 2. The petitioner had in fact appeared for accused number 2.
Shown the wakalat.
And appeared for accused number 2 in a proceeding against the said accused for the very same offences. Therefore, the statement is made by accused number 2, drawing the petitioner as accused. The learned counsel would further submit that all the other accused number 1 to 4 have all been granted bail.
1 to 4 and 6.
1 to 4 and 6 have all been granted anticipatory bail. Regular bail. If all the others have been granted bail, except the petitioner remaining, he is entitled to the anticipatory bail that he had sought for before the concerned court. Ava ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ? ಇದು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ ಇದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ
ಅದಲ್ಲ ಈ 1 to 4 ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ?
ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್
In the light of the bail being granted to 1 to 4 and 6, the petitioner was entitled as observed here and above for grant of the anticipatory bail, which could not have been rejected by the concerned court. Therefore, I deem it appropriate on the ground of parity, though the other accused have been granted a regular bail to grant anticipatory bail to the petitioner on the following conditions. We'll release it.
Please.
Yes. Pronouncement.
Pronouncement of order, this number 2, seal number 1.
Dismissed.
Serial number 2, seal number 2.
Dismissed.
Number 3.
Criminal petition is allowed. The proceedings in so and so stand quashed. It is made clear that the observations made in the course of the order is only for the purpose of consideration of the case of these petitioners under 528 of BNSS and shall not bind or influence other proceedings pending between the same parties.
4.
Dismissed.
5.
Dismissed.
6.
Dismissed.
7.
Writ petition is allowed. Crime in crime number so and so stands quashed. It is made clear that the observations made in the course of the order are only for the purpose of consideration of the case of the petition, which will not be influenced or bind or pending proceedings filed pending between the same parties, if any.
8.
Niva.
Colleagues matter, my lords, he asked me to appear on his behalf.
Allowed, quashed.
Obliged, my lords.
Yes. Bail ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೆ?
The in-charge court matter, I was item number 1 before the in-charge court. The fresh matter for the first time, could I request your lordship notice be issued in that matter?
ಅಲ್ಲ entire list ಅಲ್ಲಿ repeat ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
The only problem, your lordship, we've been told that the fresh matters that came up today will only be taken up on the 26th before the concerned court. If notice can be issued, your lordship, because at least as far as petition is not listed.
ಯಾರು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. That's the rule now.
We had in fact moved the in-charge court for listing today.
In-charge court ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Only these matters have come. I finished all 3.
Lord, serial number 51, my lords. I have
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
applied for adoption. Serial number 51, my lords. I have applied for adoption of child, my lords. Police verification is on Monday.
Wait.
Please.
I'll take that wait. ಇರಿ 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ wait. Because ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Number 1.
Wait. ಸುದರ್ಶನ್.
Yes, my lords.
ಏನಿದು?
SCST, my lords, and 323 IPC, tenant and owner, though, there is an FIR registered on 8th of March, my lord.
1 additional SPP, 2 emergent notice. Atrocities Act will stay.
ಇಲ್ಲ 323 just I was dragged out of ಇದು ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ I was dragged out there same.
Let them come. Atrocity ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ರ. ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ FIR.
ಬೇರೆದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. The petition 1 additional SPP, 2 emergent notice. ಬೇಡ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೇಡ. 1 additional SPP, list on 23rd in the fresh matters list. There shall be an interim order of stay insofar as the offences under the Atrocities Act are concerned. Insofar as other offences, it would be considered on the next date. Learned additional SPP to secure instructions and make his submissions on the next date.
And request my lords, operative portion memo ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ಇದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್.
ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
Bill number 2.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಲಂಚ್ ಅವರ್ಲೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ವಿ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ only for it.
ಎರಡು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? The interim order granted on 5/12/2025 by the coordinate bench shall stand extended till the next date of hearing. Eradu.
Number 4, memo for withdrawal.
In terms of memo. Settlement kar.
Five.
ಏನು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
Withdrawal, moved for withdrawal, same.
ಇಲ್ಲ. Memo.
Ilva? Memo, in terms of memo, yes.
Bill number 6. Aarti Ravichandra.
Silver,
Silver ಅಲ್ಲಿ they have not given bills which the discrepancy with respect to items which they are carrying.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಜಿ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್?
340 plus kilos of silver.
390 kg.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
390 kg.
390. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Sir, Lordship, we have produced all those bills.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಮ್ಮ.
Produced, madam.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪೆನ್ಸಿ?
Lordship, it is not
Match
in a
ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
discrepancy, Lordship.
ಈಗ ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ?
Yes, PF ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. You also given a list, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, you are is the petitioner the victim?
Yes,
Seems to be transporter of some.
Transporter of silver.
articles.
Whose silver were you transporting?
Lordship, we, that complainant number 1, he is traveling from Hubli to Silam by taking, he is acting as a mediator for other claimants. He is having his transport business from last 25 years, Lordship. And on 248, it is very clear on the PF that how these silver articles came to the police custody. As we have shown the secret locker, it was kept in the secret locker and we have revealed the secret locker from
ಇದು
where.
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿ. ಮಂಡೇ
Lordship,
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್.
Lordship, even
ಇವತ್ತೇ
last
ಸಿಲ್ವರ್
time-
ಬೇಕಾ? ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ರೇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ
Last
ಆಗಲ್ಲ
time
ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ದು, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ರೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Lord.
ಎಸ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್.
Bill number 7. R.V. Rajshekhar, memo for conversion.
ಆಫ್
Conversion.
ಅಲೌಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
8.
Appearing for petition, settlement, my lord.
ಏನು?
498 AM, my lord.
ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್?
Present, my lord. Both are residing together, my lord.
Filing ವಕಾಲತ್.
ರಿಯೂನಿಯನ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾರೋ ಸಮ್ ಥರ್ಡ್
ಆಯ್ತು
ಪರ್ಸನ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್. ದಿ counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent. The petitioners are before the court calling in questions so and so. The during the subsistence of the proceedings, parties to the list have resolved a dispute amongst themselves and have reunited to live together. The settlement terms read as follows: the parties are present before the court in the light of the settlement arrived at between the parties and the offence being the one punishable under 498A inter alia. I deem it appropriate to accept the compounding application and close.
3 and 4 of Dori prohibition.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟರ್ ಏಲಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನೆ. ಎಸ್. So and so in the light of settlement closed. Disposed, cost.
Much.
Regular
Voting
list.
settlement. Bill number 128. 128. 129.
Parties have spoken yesterday. I don't know if there's a settlement.
No settlement, huh?
Allah, they've spoken yesterday. I do not know if they're working on a settlement, but I have all the records nonetheless.
So we'll take it next week then.
Not week after, Manoj, if possible.
27th. 27 to report settlement at 4 PM next.
Intermodal. Please, intermodal.
Intermodal ಇದ್ರೆ
Please,
continue.
please, operation.
128.
Petitioner, my lord.
128. Parties are here, but the 25 order agate. Enquiry report saying that the petitioners are not found committing any mistake. Now the administrator is appointed, he has engaged a counsel. But the earlier management person is also trying to represent. Your lordship had indicated to them to try and close the matter because all are community members only. Same apartment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. They have not come forward.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ?
ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮಂಡೇ
ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
ಮಂಡೇ or Tuesday. ಮಂಡೇ.
ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
ನನಗಾಗತ್ತೆ.
or Wednesday ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇ
ಆಯ್ತು, Monday at 4 PM to report settlement. Yes.
130. Chirag, you. 131. Where are we?
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 27th ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ 4 PM.
32.
ಎನ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್.
Srinivas. 133.
ಎನ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್. 133 ಏನು?
ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ
ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
4 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು 4 o'clock ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 4 o'clock ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಇವತ್ತು 4 o'clock ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಬೆಂಚ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಏನು ಉಂಟು?
ಆಯ್ತು 27ಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ? 27 4 PM. ಎಸ್
34.
ಮೇಡಮ್ 26th ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, 27th ಬೇಡ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಂಚ್.
Filing compounding application.
ಏನು ಅವ್ರ
Respondent number 2. 324, 325 and 504, 504.
Yes.
Parties are present. Parties. I am for
324. The petitioners are before this court seeking the following prayer. During the subsistence of the petitions, the parties to the list have settled the dispute amongst themselves by drawing up certain terms of settlement. The terms of settlement reads as follows. In the light of the offence being the one punishable under section 324 of the IPC inter alia, I deem it appropriate to accept the application seeking compounding idea. Compounding application hakidira. Application seeking compounding of the offences and close the proceedings against these petitioners. Disposed, quashed. Respondent.
Respondent number 2, your.
Yes, sir. Separate on the order sheet ಮಾಡಿ. So and so appears for second. ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್. Next.
135.
For petitioners, my lords. Parties couldn't come, my lords. Today. Parties couldn't come, my lords. Kindly.
27th, 26th. Yes.
Name kodi sir.
Next.
136.
On the way there, sir.
On the way. ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ
o'clock ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Pass over ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಎಸ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ದಿನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಏನು ಒಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ಒಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು?
323 my lord.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
Yes my lord. And 85 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 498.
498.
Yes my lord.
ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅವರು
ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್.
ಅವರು ಆಚೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಚೆ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಅವರು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Wednesday.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
25th.
ಎಸ್.
25th.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
137.
Let's kindly have it on Monday, my lords.
ಏನ್ ಒಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು?
354, my lords. 354.
That rowdy sheeter.
Please, my lords.
26.
They're in custody, my lords.
38.
My lords, accused number 2 is on interim bail. He has to surrender on 17th.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
Interim bail.
ಬೇಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು? The rowdy sheet 354. You said you will get all the crimes.
Shorter date, my lords.
23rd. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes.
138.
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ 26 ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
139.
Same.
Vijay Kumar. 140.
Same.
140.
Parties are ready.
Offense.
5J2 of the POCSO. 5J2 of the POCSO. They are married, already married. There's a child out of the wedlock.
ನೋಡೋಣ.
Mother, father are also present. He's in JC or?
Registration, DNA ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
DNA.
Marriage registration and
Birth
DNA.
certificate is there. I produced a birth certificate.
ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆದಾಗ DNA ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? Get that. Yes. We'll take
26, 25th.
You get it. We'll take it on.
Informed today morning that even special CC is done today. Special
That's
CC
all right. That will not.
File an application for compounding.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಇಲ್ಲ sir, ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. We'll take it on the next date.
Much.
Yes, let them come. Yes.
Counter. Much. Have it on 25th, your
Yes, 25th. 25th, 4 PM. Yes.
18th, your lordship.
18th, 18th
Next.
ಬೇಡ. 25th, 23rd ಹಾಕೋಣ.
23rd ಇಲ್ಲ.
Monday.
20 Tuesday I'm not there.
ಆಯ್ತು, Wednesday ಹಾಕು.
25th.
Yes.
Much obliged.
141,
25th, 26th, sorry.
142,
141, 25th.
25th, all
Much.
143,
same.
Monday, my lords, my kind.
Monday ಬೇಕಾ?
Please.
23rd.
Please.
Yes.
16th.
ಕರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ.
My lords, serial number 87.
Wait.
Sorry.
Withdraw ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ sir. That's ED summons matters.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ.
discontinued, 40,
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
There is no interim order. We have filed charge sheet.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಪಿರಿಟಿ. ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ.
No interim order. Charge sheet is also filed.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
FIR.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ವ ಅಂತ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಲಿಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರೇನೋ
ಧನಂಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್
ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹೊರಟೆ.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಹೆಂಗೂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
41, interim order, lordship.
ಲೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 2 weeks IO.
42,
Fail trap, my lord, date may be fixed.
Huh?
Fail trap.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ 18th April, all 7A matters. Yes. Based on 18th April ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ.
43 lordship, I shorted it.
42, 18,
42 ಅವಿನಾಶ್ 18th.
43,
43 7A matter lordship.
ಎಲ್ಲ.
Shorted it 20.
No, 18th. Yes.
44, 18,
Yes.
45, 18.
For the petition. Kindly extend the interim order.
Entry models will extend. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ entry model will continue. Yes.
46,
7M.
7A 18th.
47, same.
My lord, in this case, there is no interim order, my lord. 47.
7A na.
Yes, my lord.
18th. Yes.
My lord, kindly, there is no interim order, my lord.
No,
Even there is
entry model ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್? 7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ wait.
My lord, for a moment, my lord. Even previous
Next.
occasion.
Let's 7M, my lord.
All these 7A matters will come on 18th. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. Which is not 7A ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ.
49, same.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸೇಮ್ 7A. Yes.
50,
For the petition.
50.
There is no interim order.
No entry. Yes. 2 weeks.
Police Housing Corporation.
Huh?
Yes. Lord, Police Housing Corporation building collapsed before.
I'm accused number 8. My lord,
So what? Yes.
date
2 weeks. Yes. Next.
date maybe.
We'll fix it. List on 25 alva. 16th April. Please.
51, interim order.
My lords, had made a submission, adoption of a child.
ಇದು 51 ನಾ?
51 my lords.
51 adoption of child.
Let's-
ಏನ್ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್, what is this?
No, my lords.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು
Not
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
about adoption of child.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
Verification is on Monday, my lords. This case is pending.
Which
It's a
matter, sir?
51, my lord.
ಏನದು ಕೇಸು?
Lords, I had requested for a written requisition in order to give a certificate of medical condition of the patient for recording dying declaration, my lords. Because of this, affair has been lodged, my lords. I'm a doctor.
ಪೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ.
Stay is there, my lords. Police verification ಅಲ್ಲಿ criminal records ಇದ್ರೆ
ಯಾವ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
adoption of a child process ಅಲ್ಲಿ, my lords. Police verification ಅಲ್ಲಿ if there is a case pending, negative report ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
List this matter in the fresh matters list on 24th.
My lords, by 28th it has to be completed.
Why, sir?
Police verification ಇಲ್ಲ again I will be put back to the queue, my lords. I have to wait for 4 years.
Don't worry, you are before the court. Yes.
Please, my lords. Interim order may be.
That will continue. Interim order will continue. Next.
52,
Interim order. No, list on 16th.
Moreover, section 7A, moreover, complaint itself is not maintainable, my lordship. Son-in-law is lodged the complaint, my lordship.
Son-in-law?
Yes, my lordship.
Arbati sir. ಏನಿದು?
BB Patil, my lordship. Son-in-law is come on record, my lordship. Son-in-law has no locus standi to come and record my lordship in trap panchanama, my lordship.
54, list the matter on 23rd in the fresh matters list. Yes.
I'm 55, another 55, my lordship. 55 is there.
No, 55 ಏನು?
That is the 7 ANA, my lordship.
18th, yes.
My lordship, that is inordinate delay of 9 days, my lordship.
No, yo, that is not fatal at all. Next.
Yeshwant case is
No, no, sir. Yes.
section 8 is hit, my lordship. There shall be compelled to the section.
No
within-
problem, sir. Yes, yes. 18th, 56.
There's a Nigerian, another Nigerian, my lord.
ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಡೋಣ?
My learned friend is filing an the
Amended
implied
petition,
application.
that implied FRR.
My lord, and he's, my lord, my learned friend has got a national interest. He's already filed an affidavit saying that the petitioner will not come back. He himself.
ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ? Will record the affidavit, deport. Withdraw the prosecution in terms of the SOP, deport the petitioner. NDPS ಇದನ್ನು?
No, my lordship, this is Immoral Traffic Act, 370.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ವೀಸಾಲಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು.
56 and 103, my lord.
Not 3 also same.
Both same, both disposed. 56 and 103 RTF ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ.
But the affidavit is that, my lord, he said so in the.
I will record that affidavit complete.
No, affidavit ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು. Counsel ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. I will myself order that he has undertaken not to come back. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes.
Lord, serial number 55, my lord.
Petition.
50?
57. As directed by the Honorable could have applied yesterday and warrant is recalled, please, Your Honor.
Warrant is recalled?
Please, Your Honor.
The learned this court, on 17/2/2026 had passed the following order. The learned counsel has appeared before the concerned court and the warrant that was hanging on his head is said to have been recalled. In that light, the petition is rendered infructuous, disposed as having become infructuous.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಈ ಅದೇ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಾನು ಕ್ವಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
ಕ್ವಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸರಿ. The infructuous ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, list the matter on 7th April. Yes.
58, interim order.
2 weeks.
59.
That's the response.
If at all they would pay the 10 lakhs, then.
Forms would be paid back respondent to as there is hoodwinking by the petitioner. In stay and Kotila.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
This court on 2/3/2026 had passed the following order. The learned counsel for the respondent submits that the amount of 10 lakhs is not paid. They list the matter on 23rd, awaiting the appearance of the petitioner. The petition would be dismissed in the event the order would not be complied on the next date. Yes, 23rd fresh matters. Next.
62, interim order. Interim order.
ಕುಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓದ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಬರ್ದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Yes. Tag along with so and so. List them all on 16th. IO. Next.
63.
Lord, sir, I'm actually private person. Against government servant, 7A has been invoked as against me, section A. And some third party has taken my name. Subsequently, my name has been added as in the FIR.
63, 24th fresh matters. Next.
Please.
64.
For the petitioner, no interim order, DA case.
7A. DA. 24th fresh matters.
65.
Satish Chandra, interim order ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಸರಿ, 17th. Next.
66, interim order.
2 weeks.
67, interim order.
2 weeks.
68.
ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಓ, ಇದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 7th fresh matters. Next.
69,
69 paper petitions, my lord. Can we take up next week, my lord?
List on, interim order, madam. List on 20, next week ಬೇಕಾ?
Please.
23rd.
Please.
Fresh matters, next. ಸರ್ವಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. List on 7th April, yes. Next,
70, interim order.
2 weeks,
71.
2 weeks, yes.
72, withdrawal memo.
In terms of memo,
73.
Interim order.
There is no interim order. My lord, there is no interim order.
7th, yes.
Please. 7th of April, my lord.
7th April.
In the meantime, my lord, they have suggested that they will try to resolve the matter amicably. One sentence ತಾವು ಏನಾದ್ರು
The pendency of this petition will not come in the way of the parties sitting across and settling the issue.
grateful.
74.
7A, my lord. There is no
18th.
There is no interim order.
18th,
Yes.
75, interim order. The petitioner in this matter, my lord.
2 weeks.
Date might be fixed, my lords, in the next.
Huh?
Date might be fixed.
Huh?
25, my lord. Petitioner.
withdraw ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ, date might be fixed. my
ಅಯ್ಯೋ,
lords.
date, yes, no, yes.
The next week, 16 or 17.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, yes, next.
76.
That's 76, and for the
Post
petitioner.
Monday, 23rd, fresh matters. ಇದು first time ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು it was listed before in charge court. ಅಲ್ಲಿ it got urgent. There's an interim order, my lords. Accused number 2 and 3 have already obtained interim order. Same order may be.
You are accused number?
I'm 1, my lords.
Offense?
Criminal intimidation, abatement, stalking, modesty of honor.
Abetment for what?
My lords, what has happened is there was an interim order passed by the civil court. ಅದು contempt ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ they are doing
Accused number 1. ಎಲ್ಲಿ interim order granted to 2 and 3?
My lords,
Tag this petition along with page 134. Same order. Rare problem. Next.
Sorry, my lord.
One additional SPP to emergent notice ಮಾಮೂಲಿ. Next.
My lord, serial number 55.
Hey, wait,
hard
sir.
notice. Sorry.
ಬರೋದ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ precedence.
77, fresh matter. Fresh.
ಹಾ, ಕೊಡಿ.
I have challenged the order passed, filed under the application 311, my lords. I need to adduce the evidence on bank manager and
138,
the doctor, my lords. My lords.
138.
Yes, my lords. My lords,
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು?
because I want to adduce the manager and the doctor, my lords.
ಯಾಕೆ sir?
Because I have been permitted to operate the account through putting a thumb impression in the year 2016 itself. My lords, the complainant produced the check. I have signed the check in the year 2020. The bank. Yes, my lords. I have produced the annexure.
The petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings and file an acknowledgement of such service by Monday. List the matter on 24th in the fresh matters list. Further proceedings before the concerned court shall remain state till the next date.
78.
Rajat.
Please, my lords, there's a request, my lords. Accused is enlarged on bail. This is the case where, my lords, 2 shoplifting girls, my lords, they
What
alleged
happened?
rape. They have settled the matter.
Settled?
They are willing to, the
Who
respondent.
appeals to respond?
On behalf of the respondent number 2, my lord. My lord, the parties are ready to settle the matter, but since the girls are having practical exams, we need 1 week's time, my lord.
Lords, I have very serious urgency. I am allowed on bail. The order is not communicated. I may be put out.
Don't worry, yes. The learned counsel Rajat submits that the petitioner has been granted bail, but the order is not yet released. The learned counsel appearing for the learned counsel so and so represents the respondent complainant.
Committal ಆಗಿದೆ my lord.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ತ್ರೀಗೆ.
The learned counsel settle ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent submits that the parties are ready and willing to settle the matter, but they have practical examinations and would not be able to appear before the court to record such settlement on the therefore list the matter on 23rd at 4 p.m. to record settlement if any. ಇದು allegation ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Yes, my lords.
Yes. Record settlement if any. List the matter ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. In the light of the aforesaid circumstances, also the circumstance of the petitioner being granted bail and not the order not getting released, no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner till the next date.
May I request, my lords, the intimation to jail, my lords, I will maybe, because 3 months I've been in.
ಜೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Please, my lords. 3 months have been in custody.
Directors, my lord.
Then in the light of, in the light of the aforesaid circumstance, as also the circumstance of the concerned court having granted bail already, the petitioner, the registry shall communicate to the jail authorities to enable the release of the petitioner.
I'm great.
ಯಾಕೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯಾವತ್ತಾಗಿರೋದು ಬೈಲು?
Last Friday.
ಒಂದ್ ವಾರ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟಾ?
Court.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ.
79.
The interim order may be extended, my lords.
We'll vacate it. Yes.
No,
2 weeks, I go.
the date may be fixed, my lord.
Yes, ಸಾಕು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೇಡ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆದು
87 and 80.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಈ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ವಾ ನನ್ನ?
18.
Wait, sir.
Order
Not to
89.
trouble your lordships.
Withdrawal note.
In terms of memo,
90. Police.
post reporting settlement.
Police report.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. 91 withdrawal.
92. Punishing of fear.
2 weeks time granted to the rule needful.
93.
93 interim order ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, don't worry.
93.
Respondent number 1, my lord.
List the no office objections overruled. List the matter on 23rd in the fresh matters list. Next
94.
week's time is granted to the respondent to do the needful. Interim order stands extended. Next
95.
post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent.
96.
Same order.
97. Non-compliance.
A week's time is granted to comply with the office objections.
98.
ಏನ್ ಸೀಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? Office objections overruled. First time, office objections. Yes. 311 application da. List the matter on 23rd in the fresh matters list.
My lord, serial number 90 ಸರ್ವಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
90?
90 ಸರ್ವಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Serial 90.
Post immediately after service of notice. ಅಲ್ಲ 311 application close ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ.
94.
90? Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent.
99.
Same order.
100.
ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ. Interim order ಇಲ್ವಾ? Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. Next
100.
same order. ಅದೇ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ. 101 immediately after service of notice. ಬರಲಿ. Yes. Let him appear. Yes.
100.
It will come immediately, put up immediately after appearance. Next.
102.
Same. 103. Yes. 103 disposed already. Yes. 104. ಈ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು?
ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್
ಮಂಡೇ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
ಮಂಡೇ
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ post immediately after service of notice. Next 106 office objections overruled. First time ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ. Office objections overruled. List the matter for 2 weeks. I vote. Next
107.
2 weeks time is granted to comply with the office objections.
108.
ಇದು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ. ಎಸ್ so and so.
109.
Post immediately after service of notice.
IU needs to be extended, your lordship.
Yes madam.
110.
Yes. Yes.
111.
Post immediately after service of notice. Interim order continue ಮಾಡಿ.
That's 145 my lord. One submission may I request.
87 and 88 fresh matters.
Interim order ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ serial number 145 my lord.
90 my lord.
Fresh matters.